Malta for the lady.
Thank you.
So, going Roxanne, a long time no see you.
You know, things good. I'm grateful, you know.
Oh,
I have a job, a nice little place, I'm not hungry.
oh,
Everything
that's good
good.
to hear, on.
So
Cause
what's up with you?
no, you know you go. Me I work too, and
Right.
everything I go good so far. But I know me in a situation, and that's why me call you.
What kind of situation?
Well, I don't know if you remember Alton.
Yeah, man, your roommates.
Well, yeah, me and him my roommate.
Mm-hmm.
Me remember say me ask him say, well, thing is no. You need to tell me say you have one place stay.
Right.
And we asked him for being roommate, everything did have gone good, but reached one point where he not paying none of the bills now. Like he
Okay.
not live up to no responsibility. And me say, yo, the reason why I choose to be a roommate to somebody is because I want to save up some money so I can buy a house.
Right.
But man not paying no bills in the house. Like me basically I take care of man like my father.
I understand that must be a burden.
Actually I not even know. Like me I try to talk to him, but I know a man can get a work.
Oh, so him not have a job?
Don't have a job.
Well, you give him a chance. How long since he not have a job?
A year.
No, man, that
A
you might
year.
overdo it. You give him more than enough time.
That's
So what
why,
you plan on doing?
well, I think some might have to just move out.
Okay, well, that better because you not really save the money this so.
But that's my problem now.
Wow.
You know how rent stay.
Right.
Rent high, so it's hard for me to say I will just rent one place by myself. So,
Or you want one next room in?
yeah. So, remember say you did say you have one place.
Oh yeah man, me still the room there same way.
So, I don't know if you're that okay with it, but
London that's totally fine. The
you can
room
move in with you.
available. Yes, it alright. You know I rent a 56 grand, I will pay light bill separate and water bill separate.
Okay.
So you know we can figure out how to split it and
Okay, then. That sounds good because actually, not even know. It's just so stressing, and it's good for you to say you have a job and you would have make me stay with
yeah
them.
man, it's fine. I'm not sure if I have to talk to the landlord first, but for me it cool. It cool.
Okay. But you don't have to worry yourself. Me make sure I give you half I rent, all the half I money, anything you need, I may pay you.
Okay. Well cheers to new beginnings. Well, cheers, new beginnings.
Mm-hmm.
And at least now some of the bills can ease up off of me.
Yeah,
And you
can
know, 56 is a lot of money.
enough money
But I've
that.
been a manage still.
Alright.
Been a manage.
So this sound good man. So probably by weekend I'm moving with you.
Yeah, man, that's fine. Coming out at weekend, so that would be good.
Alright.
You're not gonna like bring the furniture, so, cause the room already furnished, you know.
Room already furnished?
Hmm.
I mean, we carry one and two things if you need nothing.
Well, you can come and see if it have space to bring what you want, and you can come and then you bring your stuff after.
Alright, yeah, we'll figure it out.
All right. So all things differently.
Everything alright, man. You know, say me have a software job and things, so
Right, right.
yeah, go on good.
Work, that's stressing.
Actually, you don't even know the most stressing thing ever.
Well, I mean, I work. I nobody don't really want to work. We just there for the money, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Say, alright, babes. Wonder what we are going to eat tonight night, yeah. KFC.
Yo, me I cut enough.
Yeah, they go up on the road and come back.
This look like me I go on the road, brother. Me I have the discussion here. Too much time, you know. You're not paying none of the bills, them. I carry woman come on my place.
So, brother, what you mean? You bill done a pay already, and you a pay a bill. I mean, we just a go and
So that sound right to you? So me I pay all the bills, them. You think that sound right? You
then,
think that sound right?
brother, you know, say me nah work, my. I come out just come load up a thing in front of the girl, my. Really? Really, dog, that's how we live.
Brother, it's been a year. It's been a year since me tell her, say, yo, get a work, help me pay bills them. Are you rent a place, you know? I not pay 1 billion. So yo, me a cut you know. You fi just mama, you fi know you know. Broke money there on. He not pay one bill. Me a basically him father. Cause me
Brother,
a
brother,
take
yo,
care of him.
you me say nobody with the excitement. Nobody with the excitement. If you are going, just go on. Me figure it out. Nobody with the excitement.
You're gonna be homeless by end of the day, me can't tell you that. Cause me not pay a bill this month, you know.
Well, if I say so dog,
If he have no sense, you would have come with me. Cause him broke and he not have no figure.
brother, it's not easy.
Yo, look more. Me I send for me rest of my stuff, so yo, later.
Please, just send there. Him soon come back, man.
You sure?
A glass some man left him make him a behave so.
You sure?
Him good man. He good. No worry yourself. We figure it.
What just happened?
I know.
Oh, God, that's that.
No. Maybe we study.
I'm gonna push it. Yeah. That's very hard for pull.
It's like some problem. Alright, come. Such a little bit of things you care?
Me have some more stuff. Me I go make one truck carry them, but me
Okay.
just glad to move out to the place then.
I understand. Come.
Why? I say this look nice though.
Yeah, no.
I'm just trying to look out stuff to eat. I look out two dumplings or mackerel.
Oh, you soon done?
Yeah, you want some?
Yeah, you're not gonna work.
You know, so I'm supposed to have one late shift today.
Oh,
So I might not come home till probably late.
okay.
But if I anything, you don't think you could have looked out something for me? Just
Yeah, that's alright. Coming up and for cook, anyways.
alright then. You want some?
Yeah, just show it out when you're done.
Alright then.
Alright. Alright.
Oh, God.
Me I go to shop now. We get some things. We soon come.
You go to the shop?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, we get.
Just the things that might run out and some toiletries.
Alright. Me do want some stuff out the shop, but me have one meeting in 5 minutes, so just get some toothpaste,
Mm-hmm.
some Fabani and things. You can't catch everything on the card, me. And me pin at 2006. You can probably catch everything on the card if you want.
Cool, no problem. We soon come.
Yeah. Yes, good afternoon, Mr. Jackson.
Good afternoon, Mr. Brown.
The reason why I call you in, unfortunately, we have to do some job cuts because business have not been going as we planned, and we have to let go a few people. And after carefully thinking, we were considering keeping it, but um, no, we just have to let you go. Sorry.
But I've been here for 3 years without any issues. Come early, everything.
I know, to be honest, you are one of the good workers, but the fact that you are getting more money than everybody that's here, we have to cut where we can probably save back some money. If not, we probably have to lose the whole company, and we can't afford to do that. So we just have to do what's best for the company. But don't worry yourself. We'll definitely give you um 1 week extra pay and your
That
money.
can't do nothing for me. When you not even give me one notice. Like
Well,
this was so random. 1 week here, so we now cut off people. Like Wednesday, that's not enough time for me to get one next job.
I do agree and I do understand, but the fact that we have the bank breathing down on our neck, we really have to make some drastic decision. So it's not like we just get up overnight and everything just I don't know. It's
This
very,
is
very.
not considerate at all because like you left me in one situation now. How quick me go find one job? Me have bills.
I do understand. That's why I'm willing to give you a 1 week extra pay.
So there's nothing way you can do. You can cut down the pay a little bit.
Well, what I can do, I can probably write you a recommendation. So therefore, when you go somewhere else, you can get a job.
Thank you for the recommendation.
All right. And again, I do apologize. All right.
So, what we couldn't talk about on the road?
Honestly, you know how them did I say budget cut did I go on and them all like a fee by.
Yeah.
Somebody in I said to get Lego. I'm sure they get fired today. Me just stressed because how me gonna find one job at the end of the year? Like literally nobody not hire right now in December. You know, so I just feel that and
So, you talk to Lando about it?
you're the first person going to talk about Lando. I'm gonna tell I want to tell Lando.
And Mr. Roxanne, I think you need to talk to him because he's a very intense person when it come on to money.
I mean, you know, really have to know because by, such time, I figure out something already. I know it's not going to take me that long to get a job.
And if you don't,
I hold it down then and I broke to one point where, I can't hold it off for the first 2 months or so. I must find a job by then.
you remember how Lando cheating girlfriend in college?
Yes, I know you stay when it comes to money and that's why I'm not going to tell me. Tell you, I know I can't do it, I'm going to figure it out before I find out. Like, think about it, I'm go to London, Mr. Lando, I get fired in and that. Everything now go downhill after that. So I better just hold it down and see what I can do. In the meantime, I don't know if I can help me send out some applications or stuff.
Yeah, me help you.
I'm not necessarily a tremble.
Me just hope because, boy, Lando is a really, really, no. But as I say, you go hold it down, just please don't make me find out.
Nah, fine. Well,
He can be very controlling, you know?
I know. But a kind of good thing when I have a roommate. Because one would I tell the landlord say, female would have pay the same way. So, on the bright side, at least I still like have a roof over my head, right?
Yeah.
He's telling me figure out something. I'm not wrong not to tell him, but I know if I tell him, things might go downhill. So, just have to hold it down. I know me have one little money can go on, maintain myself for a bit.
Alright.
Ready?
Not quite. I'm so done. Oh, you're going now?
Yeah, wait for you.
No, you're not for your problem, man. Me I get drive, so you can go. I'm there. Ask somebody to pick me up.
All right then.
Mm-hmm.
We'll probably carry home some food later if you want. You want some?
Yeah, thanks.
All right. See you later.
Hello? Roxanne? Anybody inside? Roxanne?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Brown, what about
Me there.
Mm.
Okay. Roxanne,
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand the reason why I'm not seeing the amount of money you're supposed to put in my account.
Right.
A few months ago, I noticed that you're paying half of the money. When I just rent you the place, everything was all good. You was paying your rent perfectly good. But I noticed that something happened and you're not explaining yourself. I know you told me about your mom, that she died,
Yeah.
but that's okay, I understand. Anyway, you have to remember that the money that you're giving me with the rest of tenant money that I'm collecting is towards the light, water, and to cut the yard and other stuff.
Right.
You understand? So
Right.
if you don't pay the amount of money that you're supposed to pay, those kind of things cannot get done. You understand me? So I need to know what's going on.
Well, Miss Brown, with all respect, like me tell you, my mother passed away, and the money when me did have save up, which that would have been for rent, me end up having use that for like 9 nights, and I help out my sister them and so. And them not really have it, so me end up having use the money when I'm savings, which me did explain.
Are you still working?
Yeah, man, I work me, I got that say see me rush out, because I'm actually late.
So I know this is your personal business, but I would
Right.
like to know what time of the month you get paid. Whether
What?
weekly, fortnight, or monthly. I just want to know what time you get your wages
Monthly.
after work. Monthly.
Monthly.
Okay, all right. Just make sure when you get your pay, you put the exact amount of money to my account. You understand?
I will.
Okay.
Well,
So
thank you for understanding.
you're welcome. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can I speak to Roxanne?
Roxanne's not here at the moment. Can I take a message for her?
Who are you?
Her roommate.
Roommate. Okay, all right. Anyway, um, I need you to give her this message for me because I do not understand what she's all about. She told me that her mother died. So I really understand where she's coming from with the payment of my rent. I know she's owing a lot of money. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
She give me half of the money. Every time she giving me half of the money, half of the
Ha,
money.
ha,
So
ha, half of the rent
yes,
for the past how much months?
about 3, maybe 4 months if I'm not lying. I would have to check my book.
Well, this is the first time. So you're the landlord.
I am the landlord. Sorry, I should have told you that before.
Well, it is nice to meet you. Miss what's her name?
My name is Miss Brown,
Nice to meet you, Miss Brown.
Shanika Brown.
Nice to meet you, Miss Brown.
Yes.
Um, this is the first I'm hearing about this because for the past 3 months now since I've lived here, she hasn't told me about this. I thought she was paying all of the rent because I was giving her half.
So you guys living here together, your roommates or whatever?
Yeah.
Oh, something like, okay, all right. I understand. So that mean to me right now, it seems like it's your half of money I'm getting, not hers. That's the reason why I don't get the full payment of the rent. But I need to speak to her. And I noticed that every time I came, she's not around. So please give her this message from me. Tell her that Shanika or whatever she wanna call me, Miss Brown. Tell her that I need the full payment of this month. And if I don't get it, I am going to have to give her notice. Straight eviction
All right.
because I cannot take this anymore. I have to pay to clean up the place, and paint the place.
I
If you can
understand.
see,
I
I'm not
understand.
finished doing all this job. And it's money do everything. It's not
Okay.
for free.
Well, I will talk to her and I will make sure this month you get a full payment.
Okay. And very sorry that it's gonna work out like this, but please talk to her.
No, I will make sure she knows.
Okay, thank you.
Evening, London.
Evening.
Why you answer me in that tone then?
Come here. No, come here, come here. Which part I come from?
What do you mean where me I come from? I'm not waiting an explanation as to where me go and what time me I come back and all of them things say.
Roxanne,
What?
just answer a question. Which
Me I
part
come
I...
from work.
You sure say you still have a job?
What that's supposed to mean? If
No.
you have something to say, just say it. Cause if you see me in a work clothes, no must work me I come from.
Like, you could have never have a job because the landlord just come here. I know what she said to me.
What she say?
No, I just want to guess. Guess what she said to me. You can't guess because this have to be one lie. The landlord tell me say for the past 4 months she only get half a rent. So tell me now. Tell me now.
Well, that is not completely lying. You see, you have to understand. Well, my mother recently
No
dropped out,
bother
you
with
know.
the foolishness. No bother
So
with the
listen what me
foolishness.
have to say now.
Roxanne, me I no idiot, you know. Me know see your mother well alive. She
Oh, you
alright.
know that? Me I tell you my mother recently dropped out.
Roxanne, how long me and your friend? No, tell me, how long me and your friend?
Long enough.
Me and your friend from high school. Me and you go to college together. So no bother with the foolishness about your mother dead. If your mother is dead, more than know. I mean, no say you have a good relationship with your mother. You must talk to your father.
Well, me just not having money right now. Me not having money. And me I work for something.
Roxanne, you can't just tell me say you don't have money now. Just be honest with me. You have a job? You still at work?
Yes, you see me I come from work and you ask me if me still at work. Where me I come from? Listen, Landa, I just that maybe I got you some things the past couple months, but I promise me I get back on track. Just give me some time. I'm already explaining this to the landlord. Me not expect her to come up here. She know the situation, you know. I'm explaining to her already.
But just because me and your friend for a long time now. Me believe you, you know. You say so you go through something right now. You go pay a full amount this
Yeah,
month.
me I gonna pay it. Don't worry about it.
Alright, me just want to know, you know, cause me don't want to go through this again, you know. Me tell her when me first come, so me go through this with my roommate Alton, and me have to move out.
I'm understand. I'm sorry so you have to find out like this, but me promise me the plan to tell you.
Okay.
Alright.
Me sorry, somebody I talk to you.
It's
Kind of
alright.
rough.
Me go well, I see. Come here work later.
Alright.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. My assistant at the front said you wanted to speak to me. How may I be of assistance?
Good afternoon, bossy. Me don't know if you know somebody who work here. She's supposed to name Roxanne.
Um, you're who to Roxanne?
Well, me her roommate.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. She
She told me that.
unfortunately.
Well, let me tell you why me there. She tell me she's supposed to work here, and recently I asked her she still work here, but she tell me say yes. So me come to ask you directly if she still work here.
Unfortunately, she don't work here anymore.
Really?
No man, she don't work here anymore. So if that's all, well, I have a lot of paperwork to do, so I have to get back to it. But she don't work here anymore. All right.
How long she not work here?
I don't want to get in details, but she don't work here anymore. All right, and I shouldn't even be divulging this information to you. But
Me understand what you're saying, but The reason why I'm asking is because she's been lying to me saying that she still work here. She still a put on her uniform every morning like she a go to work and she a lie.
Alright, well, I don't want to get into whatever you and she have going, but she don't work here anymore. And please tell her if you care about the uniform them, because she can't have them or wear them.
Alright, bossy. Thanks the information.
Alright.
Afternoon.
Get home early though.
Yeah. I come from work.
Of course, I come from work. Why you say it like that?
Work. I don't know if you still have one of those.
What is that supposed to mean?
You still have a job?
Yes, I do have a job. What is your problem?
Roxanne,
Lando?
I decide to come down to your workplace today. Because I want to come check up on you and see if you want to get some lunch.
Today my day off, so I never did it.
Today, day off. Well, you look like you've been on a day off for 5 months. Because your boss tell me saying fire you. So I don't know how the day after work, you know.
But, well, technically they not fire me, then just...
You give you 1 day off for 5 months?
I just say 1 day off.
A month off?
It's temporary. You know, me I'm pending, so...
Pending? I look like me dunce. No, I look like me dunce, cause me must be one idiot. For ask you if you still have a job. You convince me say, of course, me still have a job. And I trust you, you know. Cause me and your friend for how much years? How much years me and your friend?
Almost 10.
Okay, almost 10 years. So now tell me no lie right now. You still have a job?
Well, technically, I'm not telling a lie.
So what you call it then?
Me I tell you something.
One white lie? One white lie?
So why are you so upset?
You take my kindness for your weakness, you know.
No, Orlando, why would you think that? And I'm not like that.
Roxanne, do you still have a work? Yes or no?
Me, I gotta be honest, because my value of friendship, I really do. So me, I gotta be honest. Me get fired like 5 months ago, or
Jesus Christ.
but my promise me I work on something, and that's why you see me left out every day, because me I try sending application and I do the necessaries.
Roxanne, 5 months. 5 months you don't have a work.
Almost 5
So
months.
you tell me say for 5 months you can't find one work? You broke. You don't have no money.
Why you have a reward?
Roxanne,
Me ever beg you not yet?
it no matter about
So
you
why
know.
you ask me if I'm broke?
Roxanne, I tell you, so I do not want to be in a situation where I'm living with a broke person. I tell you I already say, me dey pay all the bills then when me dey live with my roommate Alton. Or when me dey live with one next person, they never pay not one other bill.
Well, you have to make one exception for me, because you know say me I gonna do better. Yeah, just give me some time. That's how me ask.
So 5 months it take you to do better?
Yeah, go like a miracle the people in my run. Me can't just wake up and walk in a one job. Me tell you say me a drop off application. Just give me some time now.
And then the application I'm call
Me
back.
get back. Well, me get back 2 car, but the location them a send me kinda the far.
Then go and
So me decline.
take a taxi and go on there. Me no business.
Take 3 taxi go work. One from here, so go to the square, and then one
At
from the
least at the end of the month you have money to pay your rent. And me I pay all my bills them.
And me appreciate that. And me not take advantage of the situation. Me just make you understand, say, me still a push out the effort to get one job.
So I never make me understand when me dey ask you.
Because it did better fly than tell you the truth at that point. Look how you're going now. I think would have find a job by then. By now.
Alright. You see, because me and your friend for a long time, and you still want to be wrong and strong, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Yeah.
What do you mean, know myself?
Don't worry yourself. Just find yourself a job. Go on, go look at application.
What you mean? What you mean by knowing myself? Lando?
Good evening, Miss Brown.
Good evening.
I don't know if you remember me.
Yes, I remember the face.
Yes.
Same guy that came by the house and saw the other day.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think I told you my name. My name is Lando.
Okay.
I know that Roxanne hasn't paid you the amount of money she owes you.
Until now.
Yes, and she she finally came clean to me and she told me the situation that she lost her job. I don't know if you know.
I don't know about that. She told me that she's working and she get paid monthly.
Oh.
And she told me that her mother died.
Well, tell her the truth, her mother is alive and she lost her job, so probably she was trying to keep it a secret, say she lose her
So
job.
all along she was telling me all these lies.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my
But
God.
that is why I'm here. I don't know how much money she owes you, but I know that she owes you for 5 months, correct?
No, wait. The last time when I went to her, it was about 3 to 4 months, right? Call it about 4 months exact, if I'm not
Yes.
lying. But from the day I speak to her until now, 3 months gone and that 4 months. So you know it's 7 month rent she owe
Okay.
from that time until now.
Well, 5 months, 7 months, no problem. But I will pay everything that she owes. Plus, I will even pay you extra for the next month to show you that I can take over the lease. You can put the lease in my name.
Oh, so I'm gonna put everything in your name. You're the one who is going to be responsible for my place?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So,
You can I can take your account number and I can
let
send
me
you.
let me give it to you. I don't speak out my account number in the public,
Yes.
so let me just put
You
it in.
don't have to worry yourself. I will deal with everything. So by
Here you go.
by the end of the day, I will send you all of the money,
Okay.
and you can change the lease in my name.
Okay, no problem. So when I bring the receipt to you, you could just sign your name
Yes.
for the amount of money that you give to me, right?
All right.
All right, no problem.
All right.
But is she still gonna live there?
Yes, sadly she will because I have known her for a long time, but it looks like I'm going to have to take care of her in the time where she has to she's just going to have to live there.
You know that I can't believe that Roxanne done this because she know that I am not a bad person. She could have come to me and talked to me, and I would give her more time to
Well,
sort out herself, but she did not.
well, Mom, I would say the same thing, you know.
So at the end of the day, I cannot trust people like that in my place. But because you say you're gonna take over, that's fine. No problem.
Yeah, she's going to pay me back all of my money, you know. But
Okay.
because I've known her for a long time, I'm just going to keep her around.
All right, no problem.
Yes.
All
Nice
right.
seeing you again.
Yes, same to you.
Even.
Where I go? Come sit down. Come sit down.
Okay, yeah. Oh, God.
Christmas come early.
You always come with some stuff, you know. What that's supposed to mean?
Well, since me up here all the bills them, what I think say, I'm supposed to ask us certain questions. Christmas come early.
Wait, where you ask that?
Who swear you buy? Who swear you buy?
Them here in a purchase recently.
You never purchased recently.
We just get the chance to pick them up, know that me not work.
So since you just where you pick them up from?
The shipping company.
So you have to pay for collect them.
Technically, me dey get free shipping and so, so no.
You
Me never,
love to say we're technical.
because the truth.
Alright. I could teach you some. Because I don't think you know how to be honest, Roxanne, you have been providing nothing here. You just come in, come out as you please. You not put no food in the fridge. You not put no food in the cupboard. You not pay none of the bills them. You not even pay a light bill. And me I take care of you. So now, you're not gonna just come in as you please. We are gonna make some rules now.
What do you mean I make rules? This is not your house. You forget?
Oh, we forget to tell you. I'm my name on the list now. I'm my hostess now. Because I had a lengthy conversation with the landlord. You realize that she not come back here? Because I spoke to her and I told her I would pay all of the money you owed. I will pay all right. The 5 months rent where you owe. I pay all right. So you not have to worry about that. I paid it. And since the landlord was thinking about evicting us, I told her change the lease in my name.
You tell her for do what?
Yeah.
Why? Because you
Bec-
don't have no faith in me?
Roxanne, if you have faith in you, when for the past 5 months you've been lying to me saying you have a job, they ask you if you have a job, you say no. And then you not make no effort. You just
Lando, for
you
one, a woman me name. Me can't suffer. So if me tell you say me have it under control and make a find a job, me have it under control and make a find a job. What you do need for do all of that?
yeah, woman and you can't pay your bills them.
Well,
And me have to take care of
you not take care of me. You make sure so one roof over your head, which
you. Roxanne, me I make sure say a roof over your head.
yeah, make sure so a roof over your head.
Well, I mean own a place now. This is my roof. You're living under my roof. I have been too nice to you. You're not get no job. So one, you're not gonna just come in late hours anymore.
Excuse me?
You have to make sure you're reaching our house by 10 o'clock. Okay? Make sure say all our garbage in our house clean. Bathroom, my room, your room. Make sure say you sweep out the entire house. And make sure say food on the stove.
Oh, because me a maid.
No, you're not my maid. You're my broke roommate. So, just do what you have to do.
One, you have no reason to be disrespectful, but me I gonna take it because I appreciate it.
Roxanne, you
Yeah,
really go tell me say I'm being disrespectful
be
when
disrespectful.
I'm me a pay all the bills them. You not make no effort. Like really, you not make no effort. You don't have a job. So just do what you have to do. Abide by the rules. And just make sure say go and still look for your job. Because I want all of my money. That's all I have to say to you. You're lucky say me not take them the from you and sell them. You can go on your room. Get my feet up, get top me up.
Back your vaccine that money and rock for me. Daddy, oh, you know that song there?
Yo, you might have owl, but me not cowl. Eh, so our breeze blow here now. Eh?
Well, me you want to talk to you about some things that are going on in our apartment.
Oh, shoot no. Go on.
So you remember Lando?
Lando.
Yeah, the thick guy from high school.
Okay, yeah. Wait a now.
Alright, so indeed come to me one day, say him want someone to stay. I consider it and I give him the okay, 'cause you know, 2 room in the have. Everything did I go good, you know, but all of a sudden he just start bossing me around and tell my mom to make sure say I carry rubbish on time, clean on time, and you know, stuff like that.
Hold on. Your house.
Right, also me rent.
And get a room for him as a roommate.
Right.
And him a boss around
Yeah,
in
daddy.
your place.
Yeah.
No man, that not sound right. Something
Right,
right.
so this will come to you, try, you know, so we can get one other opinion from it. Come in really have nobody can talk to me.
No man. You ain't in nothing.
No, I mean, well, daddy, honestly, I lose my job and I
You lose
really,
your work.
yeah, and I really am pay all my bills. But before this, me did I do my part. I'm gonna make sure the food in our house. And I think he would understand. Out of all person, him should understand. I mean, I try.
Wait there. You lose your work and all of the finance of the place, and him a do it?
Yes, daddy.
So him a pay the light, him a pay the water, him a pay the rent, and everything, and you're not contributing?
Oh, me I contribute if I not have a job.
No, but the way how you talk, me think, say, boy, you know, something, but you're not doing anything. What you expect? How long you not paying rent?
Daddy, that no matter.
No. How long you not paying rent? Talk to me. You come near to me, no?
5 months or near 5 months or something like that.
Me no idiot. You stutter, and me know you. Me know when you lie, and me grow you. You understand? But what do you expect? If switch it around. If it was you and him come there, come live with you, and he's not contributing financially, what would you do? How would you feel?
Don't come with understand.
No, there's no understanding in that. It's just a burden. Me not pick up for you, but it's the truth. You need to get your act together. Me never grew up as a little freeloader, you know. What do you expect? All right, answer me. Put you back again. What would you do if it was you? And be serious.
I mean, to some extent, mother hold it down for real, but me know mother get tired. I
No.
mean, I think 5 months that long.
No, as me said, me not pick up. Anyway, whatever happened around there, my behavior, whatever, I cannot blame him. I cannot blame him. Because if you're not contributing, it don't make sense. One hand can't clap. I
That is
told
what
him
I'm
I place
supposed
to
to
be.
do.
What do you mean, what you supposed to do?
I'm supposed to do. And I like me just the woman now, look at job. I go out every day and send in application. I do everything we can think of.
The other big question, what is it? Is him find a problem with everything, right?
Yes.
There you go. And that's what happen. Is that what happen? So, I don't know. I don't know. You have to go find a job fast and pay back whatever you owe and all them stuff there, because trust me, I can't blame him. I can't blame him.
Well, really and truly, me did come with the intention to ask if you have no money, Charlie.
Aha! See there? You see there? Me know you know. Me know. Wait. Me know. If you step in there, so, me know there's something I have to do with that.
Daddy, me can't look for you. What you talking about?
You know, you come look for me just like that. Me know what you're up to. And anyway, sorry for you know, because guess what? I can't help you now.
You actually a pick side. Come
Me
know
not
you
picking.
have it.
Me I say, I don't have no funds. I don't have no money.
Do you have 10 grand to buy some grocery?
10 grand?
10 grand, daddy.
If I have 10 grand right now, I rich. I don't have no money. Me broke. You have to go start with the one yourself. Sorry. Sorry, my daughter. But I have no money.
You can at least talk to him and see if he can ease up a little bit.
Hold on.
You know, a man to man.
Whoa. Wait there. You.
Daddy,
No. Hold on, man. Hold on. You want me to go around there to go talk on your behalf.
And I really put my behalf. Just from where you understand
Me not do it, you know. 'Cause
why.
if that the man that use 2 big stone and fling out half of me or take me out time place, me can't blame him either. I am not going up there. Go talk to
Daddy,
him for what?
not hurt nobody. That's a one. And two, you're not go with violence. There's a reason with it.
No. Me not put myself in that predicament. I'm sorry. You're my daughter. Me love you. But if you leave or you're gone, you depend on your own. You have to go work out that. All right? We love you. But you have to go work
Daddy,
out
but
it.
that mean me I go homeless or me have to go move back around here. I don't have nobody me can rent and say, hey, me need 10 grand.
Move back where? Yes, sir. You know what freedom me get when you gone? Eh? Me can't walk around for me house and do as me like and everything. You're 22, you know? You're 22.
And what I
You know
say?
20, when I said 21, you can responsible for you up to 21. But you see 22,
Daddy, I never really stop take care of your pitney. I'm there around
listen
same
to
way.
me,
Me need help.
22 past 21. No law, nothing what can help you. You're out the nest, that's it. You understand? Love you, but
You
can't
must
help you now.
have a good idea coming down here. Because instead they make me feel better, make me feel even more stressed.
Me care. I already say take cash for care, me care. But I don't have the cash. Alright.
Seriously, you know, see me and Uncle?
You know what I mean?
You just walk in, I'm sure you know wipe your foot, but it's all good, it's fine.
You do a good job, man. You follow your rules. You know, if you be angry at me, you know, may I be your friend. May I teach you how to be responsible.
Me don't upset. Me never say me upset. Me don't upset. You could have
Okay.
more than wipe your foot and walk the other way. You come in because then you see me, man.
If you say so. I remember if you cook something here. May I go out on the road, you know?
Okay.
A breakfast I look about. When I dinner you supposed to cook.
I'm
Huh?
hungry. I want something easy for eat. Why that matter?
So I don't cook some food.
I'm gonna cook.
Okay. Well, may I go to the club, you know? Some you see you later.
I know.
Just make sure the place clean by the time I come back.
I'm gonna clean it.
What me look like?
Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna clean it.
Just make sure the place clean, yeah?
So where you going, so? I can't touch you.
We're not that type of friends.
Okay.
We'll see you later.
Hey, which part you live? You're close by? Yeah, you can stop by because I'm home alone. Alright, just let me know when everything's serious. Okay.
Up and I see, man.
I mean, yeah, I'm tired.
Feel like I'm gonna live up there.
You can come as long as you please.
Now, well, cool and nice, man. Mm. Boy, I tell her, if I drop asleep, I feel lovely, you know.
I'm not feeling you.
Although I'm not come for drop asleep still.
You have no money for you?
No, I'm not a man. I mean, I say, you may come borrow a thing from same way.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, come link money and have money for you.
Roxanne.
How that? Yeah, mean get up. Yeah, man, come here.
No, I know man. I know man.
So you tell me that only your mother alone give it up.
If you go explain to you.
Come on, man, do me nothing.
Yeah. Lando.
Roxanne.
Yeah.
You know someone.
So what? No, you did have it when you did come in the kitchen.
No, I'm not in the house. I'm there. Look fit from.
Well, it's not in here. Where would I in here? In here.
How fast was this?
This I think other shoes this one you need to run here.
Your father is a big man. You know if you're faxing and of him shoes that.
Well, me no know over shoes that. And it no matter in my room the way you ask me over shoes.
Roxanne.
Lando.
Move. How fast was this?
It don't matter. What you do?
Roxanne, a man you have in my house?
You see man in here?
Yo, my general, if you not come out right now, you know, me have my gun for me, you know.
Boss, you don't have to shoot, man. You don't have to shoot me, general, man. I'm armless, man.
Yo, hurry up and come out in my bed.
I'm armless, man. See me. I'm good, man. I don't know.
A man you really carrying in my house? Me had a discussion with you. Yo, hold this.
Boss, you know.
What you have this is
Yo, hurry up and come out of my house.
Yeah, man. I'm a sister now.
Brother, move right in front of me.
But my father,
I'm
a stepsister.
It's fine.
Yo, hurry up and come out.
Yeah, man. I told my father.
Yo, come out of my house. Me not talk to you about this already. Seriously right now?
So far.
Roxanne, me talk to you about this. Where you carry money in my house, sir?
Me not carry no money in it. Why you are going so with me?
Roxanne, me talk to you about this already. Do not carry nobody
So
in
me
my
not allowed
place.
to talk to people?
I never say you can't talk to nobody, you know. But do not carry them in my house.
And why you keep on say your house? You forgot to say me take care of you, you know?
Take me in and do what? Remember say me live somewhere, you know. Oh, and the reason me I live here, you know, is because I want to save up some money to get one place myself.
Okay, and not that me a bash or anything, or me a try to throw shade, say me take care of you because you didn't know one situation. And not that me a say, but I me first did I run the place. And now you are going like say.
Go on like say what? Me a pay all the bills them? That's how me a go
I
on?
know what, and me an adult and I love to do what I want. Why me can't have privacy?
You love to say I want adult, but you're not paying no bills. Explain that to me now.
Lando, me no want to argue with you. All me say is me can't have little privacy. You say for wash plate, clean and do everything and me do it all. The only thing me not do is provide why me can't get one little pass to have company.
You hear me say? Do not carry nobody in my place unless it's your family. We don't talk, you know. Do not make this happen again. Because the next time you make this happen again, you're not living here. Understand?
So which one me go Lando?
I don't care.
Lando, you're my friend, you not do better than that.
The next time you carry a man in my house, you have to live with the man. Understand?
We can't have private? Oh well.
How's my year go?
Our birthday, so we still with a good night club.
Well, go and Sylvia, a long time I see you.
Hi, Lando.
You go to a club?
Yeah.
You have money to go to a club, but you don't have no money to pay bills.
No, me I pay everything. Me I pay everything.
You have to pay for everything. Oh, man. Happy birthday. You can have fun, but just remember, say, at 10 o'clock a curfew, yeah? Right?
10 o'clock what kind of curfew, Lando? You never know say pandemic still a go on.
Pandemic now go on, but pandemic a go on in the house. So
When
make
you
sure
gonna stop treating me like a child?
when you start act like an adult and pay bills. So since you're not an adult and you're a child who is living under my roof, come back in here by 10 o'clock. Or you see, the door out there, so will be closed. Understand?
Whatever, come.
Have fun.
What, Orlando?
I just say renting I'm problem. Like you feel like so because I am pay the rent and I am buy food if you have all control over me. My vibe broke, man, tell a lie.
What? I don't understand. You know if you behave so. You just just give me a little peace and you know.
What mean give a little peace? You know London and my type, right?
But you know, like enough to be a type just give me
I mean, I try, give me a little vibe, try seduce my type of way. But it just push me off. I don't know what going on. Well, it just focus for money. I really let land the problem. And that's really land the problem. So that's not one option. Like, he just greedy when it comes to money.
But me and you could have tried.
Try what? Try seduce him?
Yeah, so.
You think so?
Yeah.
We have fear. No, right.
No, just think about it, man.
Would I drugs him? Cause you know. Let me tell you something. London not take no you don't know Lando. You don't know
Well,
Lando.
if you have to go so far, yeah.
Drugs him?
Mm-hmm. Let me just, plan it out. Plan it out.
We could go on the road. When I come back, Lando alright.
Well, and you're studying live?
Yeah, what you do around here, sir?
You know, say I pass by. I me see the apartment here, me I look on here, me I say, to see if no room over here rent. You know if no room are rent?
Well, to tell you the truth, all I room them occupied, all I room them rent out. But, me have one room, somebody is staying there, but me can rent a room, cause she not paying no bills.
But you sure that now will cause no problem?
You don't have to worry about that. You can move in tomorrow if you want. Cause to be honest, the bills them high and would have love some help.
Me and you work at the same workplace for how long now? And you know so me is a person when it comes to money, me not stingy. So you don't have a problem?
Yeah, that sound good, cause all you have to do is don't be a Roxanne, cause as she rent the place and me moving with her and she not paying no bills, and me can't take it no more. So she just go off to sleep on the couch. So if you want a room, me can get a room.
Well, if you say there not gonna be no problem, we contact you and make you know if me can move in tomorrow, okay?
Alright then.
Alright. Big up yourself, later.
Yeah, if anything come on.
Alright.
Morning, Miss Brown.
Morning.
All things.
Same as usual.
Somebody come to you this morning for ask if it is possible to change what the name on the lease.
How what could I cast this now?
Well, Miss Brown, I'm me the renty place to in the first place, and me I try my best to get a job, and me need but my things in my house. I'm not as comfortable as much now that I transfer the name on the thing.
Roxanne. Roxanne.
Miss Brown.
I don't think that can happen, You know why? First of all, when me just meet you, you make me put my trust in you and believe every word you tell me. You tell me say your mother died, wish your mother not dead. You tell me say your mother died, and she's not dead. Next thing, you tell me say you're still at work, and you know you lose your job. Me hear, me did suspect it, but me never sure, so I did not want to mention it to you anyway. Me hear. Although me hear, me no care go, me no care come. You have me a spin me around like a gig on your finger, like one little idiot. You could have tell me the truth, Mother understand. Me no so bad. Me no so hard, them kind of way they.
Well, Miss Brown, I really apologize for everything. I know that say,
Your apologies too late. But your friend take over now and he's paying all of the money. Every time I go in on my account, me see the full payment is there.
Well, I really bored that, because him of the anger now, him just I make my life a living hell in the place and thing.
But he's in charge. I sign over everything in his name.
But you know, maybe if you never go the extent of changing the name on the lease, would I still be able to be comfortable in the place? Because we still live there.
Roxanne, you know, understand. You see, every month add up.
I know.
Every money where you owe, this month, it add up to next month where you go owe. And the nether month and everything add up. And if you cannot pay where you owe now, how you da pay the other rest of money we go add up to the month them we gone already? Me not understand. You put yourself in a worse problem.
Well, Lando did mention same pay of all of me the owe. So technically, me not really owe. Some would have start from fresh. No. So if me if find a job now, more than just a pay 56 more have no balance. And I actually away for one call now, Missy, but like me and tell me I try my best. I just want to be comfortable.
Roxanne, I am so sorry. I don't think it is possible for me to do that right now. You understand? Unless you're going to get a job and you can prove it that you get a job by bringing your pay stub. You know your pay slip?
Yes.
Come and give to me and let me see it when and when you're getting pay.
Mm-hmm.
So I know that everything is going to be okay in that place. Then I will reconsider if you know, if I must put back your name on that thing. But differently, I don't think it's possible right now.
Well, that not bad. As long as you're willing to reconsider, that's all me do really want. Just you thinking about it and me go and work for me and work for. So just thanks for this one, I have to say.
Okay.
Alright, have a good day, Miss Brown.
Same to you.
Alright. Lando.
Hello?
Hi, never know say Lando have a girlfriend.
No,
No, what?
I'm not Landa's girlfriend. I rent the room, this room.
Wait, what?
I rent this room.
From the landlord?
No, from Lando.
Oh, Lando don't. Or Lando rent you one room and he does to that to me. I
Who are
live
you
here.
again?
I live here.
What's the name?
Roxanne.
Oh, so you're the girl I'm telling me about.
Yes, I'm the girl who I'm telling about.
Him tell me say him stay in this room and you stay in that room, but him give me this room and go over there, so I don't know why you and him never have a conversation.
Him rented a room here and he moved over here, so?
That's what I said.
I'm so confused. Where is Lando?
Him left about 5 minutes ago and say him some come back.
So anyways, thanks for your time. Alright?
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
What's
to
your
meet
name?
you. You just can call me Jay.
Roxanne.
Alright.
Nice to meet you.
Alright.
Evelyn,
Evelyn, work on.
you can sit down please, ma, have a word with you. Thanks.
What you could want to talk to me about, cause there's nothing else you couldn't talk to me about, you know.
Why you keep on a try playing on my face? Like this not funny anymore. Like you're not funny no more.
It's kind of funny.
So you take this to a joke, not true?
No, I'm gonna take you for a joke.
Why we keep on go back and forth about the same things them?
What we going back and forth about?
About everything. And like why you rent out my room and why you rent out your room and moving in my room and not say anything to me. Like you could have come to me and say, hey Roxanne, I know I'm gonna rent out the place. Like you
Oh.
just have a random stranger in the place.
That's why you stopped me.
Yes, that me really want to talk about.
First thing, Roxanne, it's my house. I can do whatever I want.
Okay, I'm not fight upon that. I'm gonna try my best to be at peace with you, Lando. I'm try my best to stay up your good side. You know? But you're just corrupt. You know I'm peace.
Roxanne, me and your friend, We've been friends for a very long time.
Right.
I could have easily just kicked you out, you know. But as a good friend
Mm-hmm.
and as a roommate, I kept you around because I care about you. That's why you have to sleep on a couch.
Well, Lando, this is where the issue comes in because if you come to me and say all of this to me, it's fine, and I'm not complaining because I appreciate you not asking me to leave. You understand what I say? Like, you should have still have the decency to come to me and say, hey, Roxanne, me I rent out the place, somebody else are moving.
Nope.
Why not?
Because it's my place, Roxanne. And me, I take care of you.
So you forget the most of the furniture in my mind?
And what does that have? What does that
It
have
has
to
a
do with
lot
anything?
to do with it, Lando.
Roxanne,
Yes.
if you do have sense, you're going to sell them things there and get some money so you can pay me back.
I work hard for all of them things.
I do not care.
Lando, I don't want to argue with you.
Listen to me.
Mm-hmm.
Me need help to pay bills them. Me I be too nice to you. Me need to pay bills them. That is why I got a roommate that can help pay the bills them.
Mm-hmm.
So if you don't get a job, you have nothing to talk to me about.
That's fine. Just bear in mind, the karma is real.
Yeah, karma is real.
Right.
Karma is very real. That is
Very
why
real.
you are getting everything that you deserve.
Right.
Just make sure say you clean up your place, cause
Karma won't belong, okay?
yeah, sure.
Okay.
Bye,
Have a good day.
Roxanne.
Yes, have a good day, Lando.
Have a lovely day too.
I want to make a sound up on the phone.
Girl. So, come here, son. So remember, you did I suggest that we seduce Lando?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, we now better change your plans.
What you mean?
Because we have a better idea.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. We're going to kill him. Me and you.
What you say?
Yeah.
No, what you say? What you say?
We're going to kill him. You know what him do? As a matter of fact, everything just... He might do too much, you know. You can't believe say he moving somebody while I still live there. Without a heads up. I not even have time to get someone to leave. I go back tell my mom to sleep on couch. I'm having enough for him. Yeah, me I kill him.
Back up. Wait. What you mean me and you kill him?
Yeah, that's why we are kill him. Suppose him did that and we try to seduce him because we use drugs anyways.
But he wouldn't dead.
Yeah, they don't know.
He would have just hide for a few. We can't
It don't matter. We just have enough time and I get rid of him. And I take back my place and live comfortable. Me figure out the bills.
Girl, you better just come move in with me because me have one next room, you know?
Why you never suggest that long time? It done gone bad already.
No, where you...
Come right here and stop. You done one accessory already. You already know my plan. So it's how we are going to do it. And even if you don't help, you help. Because anyway, you say nothing to nobody. It was your idea. You give me the drugs and everything.
Alright, okay. May we help you since you already get me involved.
It was an option.
But
Me
me
I
never
tell
want to kill Lando. What me want to kill Lando for?
Why you say kill Lando? You want to get in trouble?
But you come to me with this.
But yeah, they're on the top of your voice. Me just make you know say me and you are going to get rid of him. You understand? You follow?
Yes.
Right. And tonight. Like me just done, me tired. Tonight.
So you could give me one day for prepare?
Lando, yeah. No.
Well gone.
I'm there, I'm just keep myself hydrated, you know?
Alright. I need to tell you.
Huh?
I need to tell you, say, I might depend on my computer do some work. So, when 10 o'clock come, just lock the door, because I know I'm going to see Roxanne come in.
Okay, no problem. So everything alright otherwise though?
Yeah, man, me just glad to me have a new roommate, because them bills have been stressing me out for these past couple months. You want another porridge?
No, sir, because I'm not too for any parent, so that's alright. But
Alright.
we let you know if anything, man.
Yeah.
Alright.
I could put it in a list.
Oh, what this, yeah?
It don't matter what. We are shake for.
Hurry up. Just controlling this.
You chat too much. That way there you use your mouth too much for me.
Lando! Lando!
Yes,
Sergeant Brown here, man.
yes, detective.
How you feeling?
To tell you the truth, you know, detective. I feel so 100, you know.
I feel so 100.
Where doctor say now?
You were poison, man.
Poison?
Yes, sir.
Jesus Christ.
You drink poison?
No, detective, the only thing me drink are the one porridge me there cook.
Yeah?
That's the only thing me drink the night there.
So you were home?
Mm-hmm.
So why you home?
Well, I didn't me and my roommate.
Yeah, your roommate.
She are the only person who did the home. You don't think
Yeah.
that she do it?
Me no know, you tell me.
She,
You have any enemies at all, sir?
no man, me not no enemies. Me and everybody good.
Well, obviously, you and everybody not good car you there, so. And you say you not drink poison?
So somebody really poison my food?
No, are you really poison yourself? Yes, Lando, somebody really poison your food. What kind of question you asking me? What is the name of your roommate?
She named J Fosters.
J. Foster.
Yeah, but
So who brought her to the hospital?
she,
So she.
yeah,
So she was the last person to see you in good condition then, before all of this.
she the only person who did the one, but me not think say she would have do it.
So if I know she who?
Well, me not really want to call no name, you know, but
You have to go call name, you know. Because we need to solve this case.
the only person we could have tell her who could have maybe do it.
Yeah.
Who me and them not really a friend like that, but would have consider her my friend. One girl named Roxanne.
Roxanne.
She also my roommate.
So you and Roxanne now?
Me and her just friend for a long time from high school days. And then me ask her to be her roommate.
Yeah.
And then me take over Elise and things. So technically me I take care of her. So me and her never.
So hold on. You sure you and Roxanne never in nothing?
Like what, officer?
I don't know, you know. I know in something. I want to know in something.
Me I tell you the truth, now, officer.
Yeah.
Me and her in a the only thing, she has some money to give me back.
Okay.
Almost practically over 100,000.
Okay.
So she the only person who me think would have want this to me, but she never do one.
Oh, but she never did home, alright, so. Alright, so tell you what. I am going to have to speak with Jay. Right? Because she's the last person that was there with you. And we're going to have to look into Roxanne too. But for right now, Jay is the prime suspect. So I'm going to speak with her and speak with Roxanne as well.
Alright.
Alright, sir?
Alright, detective. Just hurry up and find out whoever poison, because they need to go to jail.
Alright.
Because bad mind coming at all shapes and form, because them people are too corrupted.
Yes, sir. You take your time and get your rest, alright?
Yes, detective.
So what do you say go on?
Come out to his son. We can't turn up in his son right now.
Oh boy, it's sad.
It really sad indeed. Right now, this year has stressed me out. Because the night me and Lando so good. Me see him a cook and him a say to me say, if me can close the door for him.
Cook or him did a cook?
Yeah, him da cook porridge and him a say, if him drop asleep, I must close the door for him because him not see you coming in.
Oh, okay.
And me I go check up on him to see if him asleep when me go close the door and him not answer when me knock on the door. But pull the door land the ground.
So I never you give him no or nothing like that? No,
Roxanne!
me just have to ask because like you say you animal alone did the land and my friend as much as how we have a differences, I'm a friend. I'm a really hurt to this to happen to
You
Landa.
know how far me and Landa come from?
You no matter how far you and Landa
Me and
come
Landa
from.
not have
You animal
nothing.
alone did it.
Yeah, you're right for that. And me and him alone did it. But how it happened, me no know.
Well, me feel hurt about this. And why as you come in the picture crazy things start happening.
Why yeah make it seems like you put the
Me
blame
just
on
say
me?
because why as soon as the animal
Where were
alone
you?
did it.
Where were you?
Me do you go out, you know, sister, me and London not agree. Like, me not
Right.
reason for day in the
Me and
house, I
Landa
was
not
not
agree.
there.
So why am me and me and Lando good? Yeah, try if you say
Me
me
no know if you have
against
a
Lando.
motive long time, but I know about you, about my friend, like, me hurt to this happened to London, like,
So
oh.
she don't feel like me or too.
No, because you don't know you and London have no history.
Me and Lando work for over 5 years now. Let me tell you that.
Girl, me
And me
just
and Lando
sorry.
not have nothing. Since me come here, Lando under had fire. Me no know. And all of a sudden Lando poison and I try to blame it on
Me
me.
not try blame it on you. But I said the police didn't go look on it because it's being investigated, right?
Right now,
As,
them a question him and they want me to come down a station.
exactly, if I go down to the station because if I animal alone did it, right? A animal alone did it.
And me I try to say, why you make it seems like
Me nah make it seem like you, but if you do it, you have to suffer consequences.
oh, you say you're not try to put your PS I mean.
Girl,
That
this
what
not
I
about
say?
you. Me just heard to this I'm to London because like London not trouble nobody.
Your scenes very much pretty like you not care, like this sound like pretending.
Me not what you talk about? If me a pretend, me go pretend in front of London, me not have time to pretend in front of you. You was so wicked for hurt him.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, take it too far now. Yeah, take it too far. Because if Lando wake up right now,
Girl, me
if
a go
Lando wake up right now, he might go say,
wake up and mean him unconscious.
yes.
Oh God.
But you think go am team, somebody not poison him.
Me can't do this. Me need to go to the hospital now. Like, would I do this to girl, that's later.
Why this why she a pretend?
How you feel? You sure it's safe to take off that?
Doctor said I can't take it off it sometime.
Who would I really hurt you, Lando?
I don't know in Roxanne. I honestly don't know.
So, the police involved?
One detective come to me
Mm-hmm.
and he said, if me have any enemies.
Right.
Me tell him say no, but only person who did the home was Jay.
Okay.
You never the home.
Mm-hmm. Right, because me the over Sylvia.
You the over Sylvia.
Mm-hmm.
But me don't know why should I want to do this.
Well, Lando, you can't really trust nobody these days. Not put nothing past nobody. She the only person did it. She the only person them have to look into right now. You don't know if you do her something what she never like. Or, you don't know. Remember, she have a higher position than her at your workplace, you know. It can be anything.
But me don't understand.
Did even know how she end up at the yard in the first place. I look somewhere for rent. She could have watched you a long time and try to do something.
Maybe you're right. Maybe you're
Just
right.
don't stress too much, okay? If you need me, I'm there for you.
Yeah.
I'm sorry how everything turned out and how I never did agree, but I promise you.
No. And me should have apologized to you. Maybe me should have never treated you. So maybe you're right, so this is a karma.
Well, I'm sorry me didn't even say that to you. Just hurry up and get better, okay? I'm really sorry.
Yeah.
Just go and take care of yourself. Me bring you something anytime when I need it.
Yeah. And thank you for coming look for me. Yeah.
That's at the least.
Yeah. But the detective say I'm doing investigation.
Right.
So I'm gonna talk to Jay.
Okay. Well, I think she did it. So I might see her.
Alright.
Alright?
Well thank you, yeah.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Take care.
I'm a soon come home.
Okay. Here. Take care.
Yeah.
J.
Yes, sir.
I am Sergeant Brown. You know you're here?
Yeah.
Alright, so start tell me how I go on then, man. Make it easy.
Sir, me no know what to tell you, no. Because me no do nothing, so me no know what to tell you.
Lando, you and Lando? Now what?
Lando is my co-worker and recently me become him roommate.
Roommates, co-worker. That's all.
Yeah, nothing else.
So I'm team.
So the night, he did a cook some porridge and him offer me some and me said no and him better tell me say I must lock up the door because he did have one roommate before me and him had said she not really pay no bills so him put her to sleep on the couch and read me the room and him said to me the night say I must lock the door because him no see she come in and him a probably a go do some work and stuff. So I say okay, I go and lock the door for him. I went in my room, I don't know when I go after. I did go, I go for ask him something. I knock on the door, him not answer. So I figure it him asleep. So I go check. When I go in there for check, I see him on the floor. So comes I call the hospital and them tell me say, we must bring him down. Me don't know nothing.
Look like you know how everything go down though.
Because he tell me.
Him tell you?
Him tell me stuff.
Him tell you already did it.
Did you with when what happened?
You tell me see you find him on the ground yet.
Yeah, so what me fi do? Me I tell you what happened, you say me must tell you.
You are tell me. Me no know. Me no know you know. You are tell me. Everything you say him I work with.
So,
right?
Officer, you want me to vent to you, right?
Eh?
You want
No, me want you just tell the truth. Me know you vent.
Then I'm telling you the truth, me don't know what happened. You need to have him roommate as a prime suspect because she and
Hold on. You not tell police how to do them work. What do you mean have roommate as prime suspect? You are the prime suspect. You understand? And you not left us today, no? Because I feel like you know some more things. And I need to get to the top of this. You understand? It's not a joke thing, you know?
Officer, me not take it as a joke because just like how you confused, I am confused. Cause you accuse me. How me fi pay somebody and bring them in a hospital?
I don't know. Wicked people do all kind of things.
I don't want him for dead. I left him there for dead.
I don't know. Wicked people do all kind of things. But
Officer,
listen to me now.
officer.
Listen to me. You were there. Whatever happened to him happened. You are the one who bring him to hospital.
All me
Right?
say you need to look into it.
You and him live and work together. I don't know what is going on
How
here.
long me been at the apartment? You don't know.
I don't know, but you have reason to.
So why I'm the only one being
Because you bring him to the hospital, you did it when him drop down and everything is you. And you can't trick me.
okay?
Right? So you go spend the night. And that next person now. The other roommate. How me find her?
I have no idea. Me I gonna stay here.
Alright. Tell her, you don't have a choice now. So you see until you can figure out how me can find her. You gotta stay in that cell around there, so.
But me not have no problem.
No, you gotta stay in that cell around there, so.
But me not have no problem.
You don't have no problem?
No, because you
Perfect.
okay. You're going sorry when you realize me not do this, you know. You're going sorry.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Girl, what happened? What happened, Lando dead?
Lando dead.
So, how amount of time did you put in a sin?
Jesus have mercy upon me. I think I put enough. But the best part about it is they lock up a girl. The girl, Jay, she get locked up. She had the prime suspect, so you know.
Which part that a good thing?
It's a
Roxanne,
good thing we nobody
Roxanne,
investigate we.
Roxanne, what gonna happen when they find out that she no do nothing?
Well,
This never fi happen, you know?
Shut up now. We have a little time. You don't understand for you now. Stop stress. Yeah, irritate me. We have a little time to figure out what we need to figure out. You understand what I say? We have one little time. So here what we're gonna do, me and your alibi, you and mine, right? If anything go wrong, I was at your place, you did the way. Focus now. Yeah, irritate me now.
What did they, me?
Your
Me and them get the
house?
same yard. Yeah.
Which house that?
My house, my
Right.
house, my
What
house.
we did I do?
Watch movie or something?
We never da watch a movie. We're Jamaican. You see Jamaican in the house, I watch movie. Eh? We da watch movie?
Look where you put me in now.
What do you mean I'm putting
Look where you put me in now.
Me did put on gun in your head? Me did force you? Focus now?
Me a focus.
Me did force you to do nothing? No, it's not the time for this, right? Yeah, what we are going to do, I go back to you, boy. Come on, so. I go back to you, boy, and buy the prize from, right? And see if I can get some more. Because me did dash you a buckle.
Roxanne.
What?
Yeah, I think. What you mean you go back with more? What you mean you go do that? What you go do?
Because me, like how them already have the girl as prime suspect, me I go give them more information about what they have, right? So me go put it in our room.
So what happen when they find out say you and London never dey on good terms? What go happen then?
Me and him did it on good terms because then like people didn't know say me and him did not go back and forth. I just really the landlord, maybe we can kill she too.
Jesus
Alright,
Christ.
we not kill her. But me I say I just really the landlord would know, you know? Nobody don't know. I just you. And me I tell her if you talk you do it. Right? So that all tight. Like me say, it's where we are going to buy prize from. Kaya, come with me. And me go put it in our room. You follow?
Okay. Yeah, me I follow.
Me did the yard, the two we did it together, at the house chores and so forth, right? Right. So go on down and act normal. Come say act normal. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale.
Yeah.
Go on. Normal.
Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Anybody home?
Yes.
I'm Sergeant Brown.
Okay.
You know why I'm here?
What?
Do you know why I'm here?
Why would I know why you are here?
We're playing games today. Okay. You're aware of the situation that's taking place
The situation with?
with Lando?
Yes.
Okay. Who are you to Lando?
He's my friend. He's my friend.
Your friend.
Yes.
To be honest, I feel uncomfortable talking to you through the grill, you know. I don't know if you mind opening it for me. I'm not going to come inside, you know, I just want to be able to speak with you. Thank you very much. So, you and Lando, you said that you guys are
Long-term friends, yes.
long-term friends.
Right.
So, who and who live here?
Lando and I and one ex-girl.
Who's the next girl?
Well, I don't really know her. She recently moved there. Lando people them. So you would have to ask Lando who is the next girl.
Okay. But she live here.
Right.
So she come home every day.
I'm not sure.
You come home every day?
Sometimes.
So, on the night of December 7th, where were you?
December 7th. I was at my friend's house.
Which friend?
Sylvia.
Who is Sylvia?
My friend.
Where is Sylvia?
Where's Sylvia now?
Yes.
I don't know where Sylvia.
Where Sylvia live?
Close by.
You know, so I don't like ask so much question. You're giving a lot.
But you're not ask specific questions.
Okay. How can I find Sylvia?
She lives on the other street as you take the turn from the other road.
And what's your name?
Roxanne.
So Roxanne, you think Lando would have any enemies?
Well, not that I know of, but to be honest, the new roommate, me not really know her like that, but she would have to be the person I want to look into. Right? Because me and Lando there and he never really tell me say I have no enemy. So she would have be the only person for hurt him. So I would have to look into she, but I don't know where she is.
What is the name of the roommate?
Jay. Mm-hmm.
Jay.
Right.
Okay. So. Okay, Roxanne. Don't go far, you hear? Remember, you're a suspect. Sylvia. Why? You know what happened, true?
Yes, Officer.
Yes, yes. I'm sure you know what happened, man. So, you know Lando?
Yes.
Okay. And you know Jay?
Not really, no.
Okay. You know who Lando live?
Roxanne.
Who is Roxanne?
Roxanne is my friend.
So Roxanne and Lando how?
Roommate.
You and Lando how?
Me and Lando no nothing. Me no know Lando.
On the night of December 7th, around 5 p.m., where were you?
At my house.
Doing what?
Watching Richard Brown films on YouTube. Me and Roxanne.
You and Roxanne?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
And that Roxanne tell me now.
Well, that happens, I don't know Roxanne to tell you otherwise.
Okay. Is there anything else you want to tell me?
No, officer.
You and Lando never know something?
No.
But Lando say otherwise.
Well, me and Lando not in nothing.
So who I tell you lie?
What lie?
Me no know. I cheat on no.
Officer, there is no lie telling.
Roxanne, Jay, Sylvia, Lando. Yeah. I don't understand you know. That's some love triangle this.
I don't know.
You don't know? So I should know?
But me I tell you the truth.
Everybody I tell the truth. Me, you, and the whole of them. So why you have fidget? Eh?
It's just a normal thing.
Normal thing, no man, a criminal alone fidget, you know. Criminal alone fidget. You see my badge?
Yes.
Okay. So that means I do my work. Right? I don't have time to waste. You understand? Because me myself want to go watch some Richard Brown movie too. I don't want to waste my time. So, you see this whole situation with Lando? I want you to surrender all your travel documents. You know what that mean? It means you let your passport them out at the front. You understand?
What?
And young lady, when police are talking, listen to police. You do not talk. Police is talking, so you listen. Right. I don't like to look for people. You understand me? So you see, when I come and I do my investigation and I reach somewhere back to suspect number 3, which is you, I should be able to find you. And if I can't find you, then you are guilty. And if you are guilty, you know that go. Okay.
Officer, why you behave so strong? Why you shout?
You ever see a weak police?
But
You ever see a weak police? Don't ask me foolishness, man. You're a suspect. And I need to solve this crime. Good?
but I know me poison Lando.
So how you know say Lando will poison?
Me hear from the news.
Which news?
The news. You
This
don't
no
watch
make no news yet. You see, me know say he's a criminal.
You don't watch
me
news.
know say he's a criminal. Hey, you, Sylvia, you have a prison, you know.
You don't.
You have a prison with the rest of them, you know.
Officer, you don't watch news. It come out from the news.
You know say she lick her head. Me tired of mad people, them, you know. If you don't know mad or not criminal, and you have both of them right now. You all tell me if you don't watch the news. Me and the police. Me and the news. Me make the news. You want to make the news?
No, officer.
Okay. Have a good day now. Old criminal.
Girl, police just asked me go to the station a while ago, you know? Why y'all look for me so?
Because while you're running and load up your mouth, you know it's an apartment, right?
Girl, where you get me in now? Police come on me yard, come on my gas station and question me. See now, Lando don't dead. So guess what? Me and you in a this.
You can't see my eye then good. Eh? It is. You look at me and smile. Me never tell you say police them gonna come already. Me never tell you to look out for them. We not go over this already. Me not coach you and tell you where you have to say and where you have to do.
Girl,
Wait, man, wait. You move like you're suspicious. You do something wrong? Me never tell you to see I'm blind, ear and deaf. No, nothing. So, oh, yeah, move like you're suspicious.
it's like you don't understand
Oh, me not
the
understand.
situation now. You don't understand what going on, so you know.
Because me not know nothing. Me know nothing, me do nothing. If me not know what going on, me I gotta understand. Seems like you know something.
We see you joke out this now. Put fun and joke aside. Listen to me. Police come for me, carry me gas station. Me no good under pressure. And me think me go tell him what go on, you know, because me can't do this anymore.
Oh, wait, you not say you gonna do what?
Me go tell him what go on.
And what go on? What go on exactly? What happened?
We can't do this.
Yeah, but what go on? Because based on what me know what go on. Say it look like you have to go fill me in. Yeah, you get what me I say? Because if you decide to go to the station and say, hey, officer, me know what go on, and you're alone, because me know what go on. You right? Remember, say you touch back and you do everything, you know. If you go down at the station, say you gonna make a little confession, even if they take off one ear off a little sentence, you're gonna get it. I feel like you got jail same way. You don't think so? You don't think so? No, it look like you want 13 years like the man there. Oh, you're dumb now. Oh, okay.
Roxanne, me cannot do this. Me can't do this, alright?
The whole point of the situation is you're not supposed to do nothing because you don't know nothing. Why you panic? Oh, you panic if you don't know
The
what.
police will come back on me yard.
Jesus Christ, I don't understand.
The police will come back on me yard and me no good under pressure as me I tell
When
you.
you tell the police when you go down the station?
Me tell him exactly what I'm supposed to tell him. Will you tell me right there, so?
You move like you want dead, you know. Yeah, man, you move like you want dead because all me keep on tell you say you know, but you don't know, but you still there to act like you know.
Am I mistake, you know? Am I mistake? Me should have never make you put me in this now. I should me value with friendship and me say, alright, me have your back. No, you don't have my back. You tell me say if me go at station, this a go happen and me alone am go lock up. What that supposed to mean?
You hear what you just say? Are you willing to betray me because you talk about you want to go to station after me and tell us that I don't know what going on? The police come and say, Sylvia do this? No. Come in and know. So oh you act like you know.
You know what? Am my fault, you know? Am my fault. Because me should have never make this happen. Me should have never make this happen. Anyway, how you talk? It's all just a come to my head now. It all just a come to my head. You want Lando, a friend? And you want your pies Lando. So me and your friend, you might have kill me too. You know what? I take time go me yard. Me I take time
You
go
don't
me
take
yard.
time good on here.
Me I take time go me yard.
Take time
Because
good on.
me not know this video.
Your grandmother never yet tell us to see him blind here and there.
Roxanne is all good.
Remember say Roxanne you tell her
It's
take
okay,
time good on.
Roxanne is all good.
Take time good on.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Sergeant Brown, and you're aware of an incident that took place at your premises?
My apartment?
Yes, man. You don't rent an apartment to Lando.
Yes, but I'm not aware of that incident. What is the problem? Them fight down there or something?
No, you know. Lando was poisoned.
Poison?
Yeah, man.
By who?
That's what I'm trying to find out.
I don't understand.
Who live at the apartment?
Some girl by the name of Roxanne was living there first. Then some money payment problem was going on between me and her. She owed some money for some months. All right. And she tell me a lot of lies and some stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right. Then one day when I went there, because I need to speak to her, so I go by the house. I saw this young gentleman by the name of
Lando.
Lando.
Okay.
Yes. Said he's Roxanne's roommate.
Okay.
That was a surprise to me because I did not rent Lando anywhere. But I
And a
did
Roxanne boyfriend, man.
I don't know, and I didn't make it bother me too much as long as I'm going to get my full payment every month.
Yes, yes.
Because whatever we discussed, the both of us, yes, I was feel pleased and everything, whatever he said to me. So after that, he started paying all the money
Okay.
through my account.
Okay. So
Yes.
Ran
So
Lando start pay up now.
yes. Then one day when I was at my home here, this is where
Yes.
I'm living.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Lando came by and asked me if I can put his name on the lease.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, fine, because he was the one who paid it all along. Yes. So I turn over the lease in Lando's name.
Okay.
Yes. Then, a few weeks after, I think it's a month after, Roxanne came by me again and asking me if she could just um if she could just be the owner of the lease again.
Mm.
That means she wanted me to put her name
And
on
the
the
release
lease
now.
and take off back Lando's name.
Up here mix up a go on
Yes,
this
so I
man.
said, no, I cannot do that because you're not working. Are you working? She said, no, but she's going to look a job. I said, but you still don't get the job yet. But as soon as you get the job, you can come back and talk to me about it. I don't know if Lando and Roxanne have any argument.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know because, I live here. They live way, way from here. I have to drive to go to where they are living. You understand? So I don't know if they have any conflict between the two of them.
So,
This is the first news to me. I didn't know that they poisoned Lando.
yeah, man. But what about Jay? What about Jay?
Who is Jay?
Jay is the other roommate, man.
Roommates. I don't rent anybody by the name of Jay. No room, nothing.
No, man. Remember, say I three of them, you know.
3. No, 2.
No, man. Lando, Roxanne, and Jay.
No, no, no. You're getting this thing wrong. Maybe you went to another's personal
No,
apartment,
no,
not
so
mine.
that means you don't know what going on for your apartment, then, man. Eh?
I know about 2 person, Roxanne and Lando. Nobody else not supposed to live there. It's only 2 room.
All right. You probably need to take a visit and go and check it out then, but
What are you
Jay
trying
is
to
the, is,
say?
the, is, the, is the third person that is there. And
Jay is the third
right.
person.
So that's why I'm doing an investigation on everybody to
Well, this
find out
is the.
exactly what is happening.
Oh,
Because a lot of things not adding up at this point, you know. And you seem not to be aware of a lot of things just the same.
this is the first news to me. I don't know about anybody by the name of Jay. So I'm going to have to go by the apartment and find out what's going on down there. I am not aware of it.
Yeah, man, I think you should do that. But thanks for your time, though. And we'll keep in touch.
No problem.
All right?
Yes. Have a nice day.
Girl, stop. Hurry up now.
Awa,
We mean our.
what?
So, I remember all me that tell us so we are go back. I come here listen because when I want to shout your neighbors they hear me. So you remember all me that you tell us we'd have to go back to you guys to get a thing.
We?
Me and you, yeah. So I know me I go up there if we go get it thing cause Jane didn't know. Somebody just go get it something and put it in her room. Hopefully she not come back by me go up at the man and come back, right? So yeah, them they are weird.
Me ain't not gonna way.
Why?
Me,
Let me make you get this straight, right? And me and you do this, and me and you start off this. This was kind of your idea in the first place to seduce him. Me just take it one step further. So at the end of the day, you're still in it, right? So no matter how much you try to back out, you can't back out. I promise you. You know too much. So me tell you, so we go up at the man, you ready or not?
me not gonna way.
Why you be so complicated?
Me not going.
Why? What the reason?
We not going. Me I cut myself loose from all of this. Me know me do what me know me do already. Me not do anymore. Me not going.
I promise you too late for back out. It's too
And
late.
I
The police ain't
understand
on
that.
to it.
I understand that, but me not going.
The police ain't on to it, and the best thing to do is to frame the girl. And it's good because I share the main suspect. Me I tell you say Bible look this half our shoulder.
Yeah, listen to what you say.
Right, I'm hear myself clearly.
Me not doing this with you, me say. Me not do this. You
Alright.
not listen to yourself. You sound so serial killer-ish.
You don't have a choice.
Yeah, give the vibes there.
You don't have a
No
choice.
me and you. No me and you, baby girl. No.
Let me tell you something. As a matter of fact, you don't have to come. Right? Me can go up a Jimmy and do this by myself. But just know say you come with me. You understand? And me and you go. Even though we never go head to head, and me and you go. Anything where go come back to me, and me and you. I promise you. As a matter of fact, you. You understand?
Me do what?
Whatever there is. Anything where go come back to me, and you.
Roxanne, take your time. Me here take time walk, go on. Easy. Just take your time. Me here cause you go fall hard. You understand? Take your time, go on. Take your time, go on.
That is a chat.
Take your time, go on, me say.
Sylvia.
Go on, Roxanne, do what you have to do.
What go on, Jimmy?
Right, it was going system.
Alright, so long story short, you see thing ready give me last time in work. So me need a stronger in no matter where you give me, me need back the same thing now.
So how it no work?
Me no know what go on and I'ma put it in a some part like where I say me mix it thoroughly and the you take it thing and in there same way.
That simply means someone. You know put no whole heap in it.
Me use good amount, just never use all of it.
I should have all I hit you use. And that me tell you I should have all I hit you use, but alright, no worry yourself. May I give you some. Alright?
So
Alright.
yeah, why you I think I should have touched it still because I plant it on somebody.
Alright, no, it no make no difference if me touch it or me not touch it. And me make it.
Alright.
So here we talk now. I go explain this one to you. One cock. One.
But here me I say no, me nah use this thing and plant this for somebody. That's why me I say you should touch it. Cause me I put this in somebody's room. Me I set up on a girl him down a yard.
Okay.
Cause like me I say boy not dead.
Okay, me get what you say now. No man, give me it back, man. Give me it back. Give me it back here. You think say me I go to jail with you. You alone.
Me would have wiped it off anyways.
Yeah man, see it.
Put it down in this one. Alright, and you alone know this thing. Say you have more, right? Like stronger dose.
Yeah,
Because my mind come back with someone and come on next girl I get put my nerves and me have to get rid of her.
man. Right it. So you turn serial killer now.
What me have to do what me have to do in Jimmy. You can't go to jail. And like if she have too much information, you have to get rid of her, not you. So just go and big up yourself, see?
And that's why I make sure say me take off my fingerprint. Because I'm not go to jail. You know.
You're not going to jail, man. Like me say
Alright.
militant, see?
That's enough.
Take care.
Alright.
What you doing in my room?
That's some stuff me that look for London because me think say never take out everything kind of tell myself you check in her room but me never see it so me check around here. So.
Oh, Lando for selling for stuff in my room and Lando like
Because he tell me if you look for something in my room and I could find it, so I assume say maybe left back. You don't understand?
So before you come, you never tell us say move everything out of my room.
Girl, me already explained it to you. What else you want me to say? But I look for something, I'm gonna find
And
it.
why you have on gloves?
You just see me have on gloves? How you know why not?
Because me see you take off gloves. Why you take off gloves? You come out of my room.
You know must know why me in gloves. After you all left the bathroom so dirty, me have to use gloves to clean it. At the bathroom I clean because I left it dirty and gone from the road nasty.
Which one me then few days?
So long you left your bathroom in the dirty and not flush?
Don't try to cut the argument. Me ask you why you in my room. Me know say you be suspicious from some the land that you all day here.
Who will be suspicious? Oh, say you blame shift because you do things that you try to put it on me. No put nothing on me because you got jail.
Girl, listen to me. Anybody that got jail like you, because of you are my sisters. I know some me can go to station right now and tell them to me stay in my room.
And what that go do?
You don't belong in there.
Oh, so wait, go tell them to see me now. Your room and them feel like me?
Ah, you have on gloves. Why you have on gloves in my room? And I come talk about cleaning bathroom and the bathroom never dirty in the first place.
Girl, stop clip yourself.
You
Me
know
tell
what?
us them I have on gloves because
It's
me that clean the bathroom. I'm going in your room because your landlord send me in there.
I suppose me go to London. Am I going to tell me say you use them?
Yes, please call Lando.
Okay. Just watch it, yeah.
Police, open the door.
Give me a second.
Open up the door, man. Yes, afternoon.
Sir, you can't just walk in here.
I have a warrant to search the premises. You can read? Good, I think you can read. So, come with me, because I will need you to follow me while I'm executing this search. Right? Which is your room?
That one.
May I see the warrant, officer?
Of course you may. Have a look. That is enough. I'm going to need to search your room as well, young lady.
What's the reason for the search?
I am here on suspicion of a crime that was committed, and I think you're aware of that crime as well.
Right, okay.
Right, so I am going to execute the police job. So I'm going to ask you to direct me to your room, young lady, to do the search. And do not interrupt or obstruct police business. You, turn up right there, sir.
Officer, what you all look for?
No, don't talk. I do my job. Where the poison there? Eh?
What?
Where you put it? Oh, what is? Bingo!
What?
Oh, what is?
How would I reach there? So I don't know what's that.
Oh, what is? Jesus have mercy. Young lady. Don't move!
Officer, I don't know what that.
Young lady. You're under arrest.
Officer, I don't know what that.
You're under arrest.
Officer, so you arrest me about someone I don't know nothing about.
Shut up. What make you do it?
Do what?
Oh man, come on.
Officer, I don't know nothing about this, officer.
Young lady, calm down.
So, I don't know nothing about that, officer.
I can't believe. Eh? Jesus. It's a good thing some good at police work, you know.
Officer, this is tight, you know.
I think I won't be needing to search in your room, you know, because I found the murder. I found the poison. He didn't die, so it's not a murder. But young lady,
Officer, you need to check her out.
Listen to me. We're going down to the station, right? You have anybody that can bail you?
That's none of that me at all,
But you don't really need bail still.
Don't
Don't worry about that, man. It's supposed to be like that, right? But we will need to go down to the station, you know.
Officer, just listen to what I say now.
Listen to what? It wasn't you or was
No,
you?
me don't know that.
What is you? So it's in your room.
Me don't know. Ask her.
Ask me? Why? Why am I supposed to ask me? You know, say you're wicked. You're a wicked little girl. Why you would have tried to poison Lando after everything
why
went
you
for you?
Lando?
Lock her up, officer.
Now me going lock her up, man. Me have her in a cup already.
Something going
Criminals.
to this, you know.
You deserve this, you're
You're going to go to
wicked.
court and we're going to serve justice for Lando.
Justice for Lando.
Justice going to come out of it, of course.
Justice for Lando. Hello?
Yes, good morning, Miss Roxanne.
Good morning.
Yes, I know you might be surprised that I'm calling you, but it was unfortunate that I had to let you go. But there is a job opening here again, because there's a new position to be filled, and because I know everything kind of end on a bad note. You were the first one that came into my mind. So let me call you. So you can definitely come back in, and you don't have to submit any new documents or anything. You can just come straight in for the position, because I recommend you to hire up. All right.
Okay. Okay,
All
thank
right. So
you.
you can come in as soon as possible. All right.
Alright, thank you.
All right. Yeah, man.
Jesus. Morning,
Miss Roxanne, how are really going in my apartment?
What do you mean, Miss Brown?
Say now, aware of what me come to you about. First of all, I rent you the place. Then, because of your carelessness not working, Lando come and take over. So Lando name, yes, me understand. His name is on the lease. Fine. You and Lando in the house, right? Now Lando taking somebody else by the name of Jay. Me not understand where you're going. Well, as far as me concerned, to me, it look like a few and Lando place because me rent you, then me end up have to give Lando because you can't manage the rent. No one next person in there know me here say a war down here. What is the problem?
Well, Miss Brown,
Hold on first. Although me ask you one question, just stick up in and remember the question when me ask you. To my surprise, I heard that Lando end up get poisoned. And me no know where going down here, so. What kind of war? What kind of conflict you no have? Who poison Lando? You or Jay? Because me sure say Lando could never poison himself. So something in a something.
so Miss Brown, how it sound like you interrogate me? Me not try be rude, But when I answer the question, right? From the day you take my name off of the list, everything has been chaotic, right? And about that thing, me not responsible for the place no more since as my name not up on the list. So me not have no control now what Lando do. The other question now, the girl will Lando decide for movie and she pays Lando. I guess she get greedy or she want her name go up on the list. Who knows what the motive? But yeah, she pays Lando.
So hold on. Roxanne, what you try to say to me? Because me take your name off of the list, that means that you not have nothing to do with what happened to Lando?
Me not have no.
You're in the house. So if you can prove it, that is not you and a Jay poison Lando, why you never report it to the police?
Well, Miss Brown, me never really need to report anything because from Lando reach the hospital and then find the poison in her body, you know it a go reaching the police and so them do them investigation and the girl is currently in custody.
So, where you say? The new girl, they in a custody?
Right, because turn out that she poison Lando.
Oh.
And me kinda happy say you come to me, come like a godsend you.
So why you never come to me and make me aware of this? Suppose me never hear it from somebody else.
Well, me not plan for come to you, but me not wait on the right time like today.
Okay.
Cause like so like all of the chaos are going and while me did there no chaos never did that take place. So me da wonder if now would be the time where you would have considered changing it.
Hello, hello. Don't go no further.
No, Miss Brown, just give me a chance, no?
Chance. Roxanne. A matter of fact, Miss Roxanne. Me not even want. Listen. You working?
Yes.
Where?
My same job, me get by my old job, bigger position and pay
From
raise
when?
and all of that.
How
I
long
got
now?
the call earlier. Like right as you walk in, I come off of the call.
That mean you can show me a pay slip.
Yes, man, me can show you my
Well,
payslip.
show me it. Because if you're not working, that not possible.
Yeah, man, me can show you a payslip. But as of from right now, me can't really show you one payslip because like me say me just get the call. But like as soon as we go in at the office and so me can make you get some receipts and show you what going.
Well, when I bring it come, me think about it.
I
Because
appreciate it.
this is serious. Me can't just put you back on lease and me not certain say you're working. You understand?
Right.
Anyway, have a nice day.
You too. Oh yeah, come. Let me help you with your bag. So what doctor them say?
Doctor them clear me for come out of hospital.
So you're 100% now.
Doctor them clear me so me can't come out of hospital, but I feel a little bit better.
Oh, I'm cook your own food? Juice, anything?
No, anything when it comes to food and drinks, me buy my own things.
Oh yeah, try say.
I try to say me just I say, me not eat for nobody. I'm not any drinks within my fridge or water, me not drink either.
I mean, I talk to you now, and I'm me pies near. I J pies here, you decide to bring one stranger in the house. And she not there no more.
You're, you know, you're right, you know. I agree with you, cause on my bad, me should never make the girl to come in the house. The first day when she come, me just need want help with the rent, so me just agree. But you have to understand, you know, if you did in my situation, where somebody pies you, you would never want to drink and eat for
Well,
nobody.
now that she out of the way, me get back my work.
Pay you back at
So,
work.
yeah, so me can take over all of that. She not have to come back here if she get bail. Me can maybe I'll take over back the lease too.
No,
Why not? Me get pay raise.
Roxanne,
Lando. Me tell you, say you don't have no faith in me, you know.
it's not about having faith. No, I'm saying, you know, you owe me
I'm
160,000.
say my pay raise. You hear me? I say me probably make more than you by far.
How much you make?
It no matter how much me make, me I tell you some pay raise. Me did I control this for 3 years. Me not just come here to come live. You just come here. So if me tell you some pay raise and me can manage, we can manage.
Roxanne, me just come from hospital and to be honest, me not in a whole me not in a talking mood, to be honest. So the whole lease thing just left your argument. When you pay me back my 160,000 and my house done bill, me happily give you back the lease.
So me wait until it's convenient for you.
Roxanne, you think I'm give you back a lease when you owe me 160,000?
And that's the least for you get back. That's the least for you get back.
Then give me it back right now.
You will get it soon.
Alright, as soon as I give it back, place is all yours.
Just think about what you're doing.
Me don't like how that sound.
All me say is me I come from foreign. If me tell us me get myself together, me get myself together. I already need some time, you know. I'ma figure this out. I mean tell us me get a pay raise and me get back my job and yet I try to be difficult.
Roxanne,
But it's fine. Go on,
me
girls.
honestly don't care, to be honest. Just
Oh, you don't care?
when
It's alright, no
when you
matter.
sort out my money, the place is all yours. Until then, I mean only place.
Good afternoon, Mr. Vassal.
Watcha? Wow. How a
No,
breeze blow here, so?
me can't get a minute of your time outside, please.
Oh, man. Alright. Yo, Bridget, wait here. Alright, may I come? Got you. What am now?
So I came here today to talk to you about your daughter.
What you and her have now?
You know, I don't have nothing but she get herself involved in some something with her roommate.
Why? What kind of trouble?
Oh boy. So Roxanne, I don't know if you hear say your roommate in the hospital.
Your roommate in the hospital?
Yes.
I don't know nothing.
He get poison. And your daughter poison him.
Me and I joke thing you do, you know.
Nah,
You know, always a... Where she there? Look here. Me and I joke thing you do, where she there? Don't I keep up on the look of foolishness.
nah joke.
Listen to me. Me serious, you know. For me heart can't take none of them news, you know. You serious now what you say? Start over for me, please. Wait a
So,
No, you're serious.
me serious.
Wait a
Me know she come to you about her roommate and all of that. So basically now, she come to my house one day and tell me say, him out poison Lando.
For what?
To tell the honest truth, me not really sure no. I don't sure.
Hold on. Our roommate in the hospital, Roxanne tried poisoning him. And you don't know for what?
Me not sure.
I don't know, joke you make with me?
Me nah make no.
My daughter.
Honestly, me nah make no joke.
So where she there?
I have no idea. Me not talk to Roxanne for a while.
Oh, that's why she not come. When this happen?
Few weeks ago,
Tell me you don't know nothing. I mean, what? Me not understand. What? Me not hear nothing. Me not.
police come my yard and everything.
Police.
Investigate.
And me not hear nothing. How much joke thing here, man?
The last time I talked to Roxanne, honestly, me fear for my life. I fear for my life. Because the how Roxanne talk to me is like she will kill me too.
Where you and Roxanne come from? Toddler days that come up. What do you mean by your feet? This is sound so far-fetched. Me just know. I can't understand what.
Me fear for my life. You need to talk to your daughter. You have to talk to your daughter because the road that she go on, she go either end up in jail or kill somebody else or worse.
No, but what you tell me now is fresh news. So, me have to talk to her.
Yes. You have to talk to her.
Ah, this happened, I mean, I hear nothing.
I try to talk to Roxanne. But she no want to hear. And Landa did rent one room to one next girl in her apartment. And she get the blame for what Roxanne do. She get jail lock
So,
up.
one more person in the apartment, how much people live there, so?
Me no know. Me no want to tell police. Me no want to tell police because I'm a friend. And me no want to snitch. But through your father, me say, alright, me come talk to you. Me no know what to do. Me don't know. Oh boy. Me no know what to do. Me try talk to Roxanne, but Roxanne don't want to hear. Me no know what me supposed to do.
My daughter.
I don't know what to do.
This weird, man. Never talk to her. So somebody else say get locked up
Yes.
next roommate.
Yes, get locked up to where Roxanne do.
So serious something going on, man. So me not hear nothing, me not hear. Jesus Christ. Never go call her. What she do?
Me not sure, me not know. Me try call her, but me not get her.
Christ, my head. God, me can't take no more. Jesus Christ. My daughter. I don't know. Well, Jesus, me have to call her. Me I call her right away.
Yeah, call her.
No,
Let me
man.
know what happened.
No,
Wanna know if she
yeah,
alright.
right away, man. Jesus.
Wanna know if she alright. So let me know here.
Oh, God. Yeah.
Hi, morning. Is this IT Computers?
No, this is actually a plaza, but IT Computers is down there. The funniest thing is I'm the manager for IT Computers.
Oh, that's lovely.
So, I can assist you in any way. Is it like something special you want to get today?
Yes. yes. So you have a Lando Smith working here?
Orlando Smith.
Right.
Yes, I have Orlando Smith. He's actually one of my top staff down there.
Oh,
You know.
really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, honestly, Lando is my friend, and I really don't want to cause any harm, right?
Okay.
But it's what's best for your company.
My company.
Right. So Lando has been doing some things and like him kind of like vent to me sometime. So like me I say me really don't want to cause no harm because I'm a friend.
Okay.
But me just feel like I the right thing for do.
Yeah, man. Tell me, man. Don't be frightened.
So I get to find out say him pretend like him sick with you. Like him don't alright, so we share facility, right?
Hold on. The thing is this. Yes, he was sick and sad to hear say in
that
other
was
situation.
all a lie. So like me I say we share facility. So like majority of the time when we wake up in the morning and I get ready for work, like he's there. Me I say why you not go to work? He must have enough to worry about that and stuff
No,
like
hold
that.
on, hold on. Are you sure that this is the same Lando you're talking about?
Yes, me I
The
tell you,
fat
say,
guy.
right.
Are you serious?
Yes. So like me I say no, like morning time he would have like then at the coach and me say, hey, you not get the fork and I say don't worry about that him having workplace lock and nobody can talk to him and him get promotion so he soon start running off the place and fire and stuff like that. So me say no man, this I can't land the woman know. You understand? So me decide to come and see what I go on because me feel like we deserve better. That's all.
Yeah, man. Thank you very much, guys. Right now, we just get some new stock and I think we put in some serious work and we hear this kind of thing about Lando.
I also overheard him. I tell like somebody on the phone to the other company when in a competition with him. I give out information.
What? Hey, no, man.
Right.
This is not my no. I think really and truly, this is not my Lando. See, my little staff members, me check them out and me know so them cool and them disciplined. So you tell me this now, this is a big shocker to me.
I know it's hard to believe, and like me I tell you, say me and Lando come from far, but him just changed and I don't know what else to do. Like him changed. Lando was not like this.
My goodness. But anyway, thank you for telling me because this kind of put me on a different pace now. You know what I mean?
Right.
But so you're still gonna go down there to buy something or?
No, because really I just wanted to talk to somebody. Like I had to tell somebody.
I understand.
It made me feel guilty just knowing the information and not saying anything.
And I thank you for telling me this, because for a businessman like who I am right now, this is a very important news. All right, so thank you very much. All right, so have a good day.
You too. Okay.
Alright.
Daddy?
Roxanne,
Yes, Daddy.
where you there?
When they work.
You can't come see me?
I don't really have much time. I'm from lunch break, my day and my lunchtime go up.
Well, just try come see me now. You know, right now.
What's so urgent that you can't wait till after work?
No, can't wait. Can't wait. Come right now.
Your workshop for come?
Yes, man, come. Nobody not up here.
Alright.
The time slow. Just come.
Alright.
Right now, please.
Okay.
Guys.
Daddy, so what you want to talk about something important out here, so?
What me want to talk to you about, me can't talk to you in the shop, you know.
What happened?
Me can't talk to you in the shop. I have to call you out here, so nobody can hear me and talk to you. Alright? Well, let me just start shooting now. Because it come to my understanding, but I don't even know where to start. You know. Anyway, is it true, say, you try and poison your roommate?
Daddy, where you get the information from?
Where me get the information from? What do you mean by when me get the information from?
You have information and me ask you where you get it from.
So you want me to tell you who tell me?
Yeah.
So all them something that happen and me never know?
Daddy,
Something go so?
things me never did mean for things go so far.
Jesus Christ, that's true then?
Why you complain when I come to you as a father to try to talk to you, you run me, you didn't even try
I
help.
never mean it. You want someone to stay. Your room is there. I never really mean it. It could come to this extent where you go try to take a life. I know some me grow you. Me not grow you, so.
Well, me never have nobody to talk to, and the best option. As a matter
Best.
that was my best option to get rid of him.
Look here. I'm a grow you, know. Me try my best. Me try my best. Me take you out of arms way. Me do everything for you. Me try protect you and me do everything. And this is how. No, man. This is not the best. You can't go take a life. You can't give life. So how you fi go take life?
But what you want me to do that? I come to you and I talk to you and I tell you things in my land that I put me through.
Yeah, what if somebody that put you through something like that? It doesn't give you the right to take a life.
Well, endowed.
You actually sound too remorse. Oh God.
I'm kind of dog, yeah. I just have enough for land. After me there in the place, you know, him changing name on the list and all of them things and I give me rules in the place.
I agree, but listen to me. If you go in a store go buy something, I'm tired to talk to you about them things here. And the price is too high. You walk. You walk. How you fi do something like that? How will you get that honor from my jeans?
One of these Sylvia idea, I know say a sheet.
Oh?
It was fair, well, not really, but she did come to me one day and said she want to seduce land.
What do you mean Sylvia idea? Sylvia?
Yes.
Your friend Sylvia, a fair idea to do this?
Not to not to how it escalate now, but it was fair idea for seduce him. Me just make it go further.
And me not even know, me never even know say somebody else in the picture will get locked up for all of this.
Well, that's a good thing, because that means that the police, they're not depend me.
As I said before, you're not listening to yourself. You don't sound right. This is not what grow. This is what happened to you. What become of you? That's not logical. You almost take a life and somebody else bear responsibility for it.
Almost. Endowed. I mean, a better thing to
Jesus,
focus
no,
on.
sir.
I need to get back my name on the lease and get back my place and take over, but we need to take over. Daddy, I don't have time for this.
Listen me. Police involved and everything and whatever it is, I can't help you. You have your room there. Me never really serious, but when you just become a woman, staying by yourself, me never really mean it. And plus, you come and you ask for money and me send money to your account, you don't even say thanks, you not even realize the money going in your account. Do you understand me?
I get the money, but I just never get it time.
What is wrong with you? Yeah. Cut from here, sir. You need to focus. You need to focus. Drop everything. Start fresh.
Oh, me go and drop everything and start fresh when this done gone so far. Me have to clean up and me need to clean up.
Yeah, but somebody is in jail or prison or whatever for you for me here. Innocently. How am I gonna fix that?
Well, Daddy done at me already and only thing left for me to just clean up.
Are the little girl is a girl?
You see a man say me not look no more.
Right now, you know. That's it, you know. My wife for me and clean, you know. Because right now, if you come back, me fear for my life, you know. Because I don't know what you would do if you're moving back with me. To how you sound, this sound like my daughter. It's somebody totally different from where me go. So
Daddy,
you don't understand.
You don't understand me. Me I say me don't get myself in a situation already. Me have to fix things.
Yeah, but you fix, but you don't sound like, remorseful. You don't sound like, sound. No, sir. Anyway, you say you have work to go back. Okay. You have work to go back to. Maybe somebody come and I have to go trim. But honestly, you dig your hole, whatever you drop in, I can't help you. You're my daughter, I love you, but that is it. If my son, you need a reality check.
What you mean, Daddy, wait. What you mean I can't help me? You already know all of this, so you have to help me. You're part of this now.
I can't help you. I love you, and that's it.
What you mean I can't help
I cannot help
Daddy,
you.
you know
Love
too
you,
much,
and that I cannot
you know
help you.
too much,
It's a
Daddy.
different person I talk to. I'm not my daughter, that.
Where going, bossy?
Oh, go on. Wait, come here. Where are you going?
I go for my 5-minute lunch break.
5-minute lunch break.
Yeah.
Alright, you want to go on now. Scars, right now, I don't know if it's true, but me believe it because me feel it. You see that lunch break we are take right now? 5 minutes, I say? Make it be a permanent lunch break. Yeah, permanent lunch break. Hey, I don't want to hear no questions, I don't want to hear no talk, I don't want no back answer. Because right now, to me feel, me trying to call our police for you right now. You understand me I say?
Why you call police?
What me so me call police for you for? I'm tell you what I want. You see how me feel right now? Me feel like somebody cheat on me, like me in a relationship and it a breakdown. Bro, me trust you, you know? Me trust you.
Wait, calm.
And you fit do this to me? Eh? These things?
Calm down for a second.
What you mean calm down for a second?
What you talk about?
What you mean so me a talk about?
If it's about the analytics where they make me me feel you
Analytics. Eh? You're an athlete. You need to run out of this place. But analytics. Eh?
Alright, they need to explain why you fire me. What me do?
I mean, you jump to backstage. Eh? When me say what you do? You don't know what you do? Me fi tell you what you do when you do it? Eh? How me fi tell you what you do when you know what you do? Me never did it, but me know what you do.
Bossy,
You hear me I say?
me just come
Shut your mouth. You ain't sick for you?
You mean if me sick for you?
You ain't sick for you?
Bossy,
Eh?
me
You take the time and go do your own thing. And then again, for we competitor, yo, brother, yo, believe me, you drop down every trust levels from out of my head for you right now.
Bossy, right now, me not understand nothing what going on. Right now, me just want to come from hospital. Me just start back work, you know. You see me would want mass because me have lung problem.
You have lung problem?
Right now, my heart
If you don't move out of my face, you're going to have lung problem. Move out of my side right now. Left my place. Left.
Why you fire?
I spit out more than more. Left me backside place.
Alright,
You need to why me a fire. You know what me a fire already.
You know what? Fine, me take my fire. You know what?
So you have to take it?
No way, sir.
You make it sound like you say something where if
By
not
the way,
maybe.
the competitor where you talk about,
Eh.
from when they want to hire me. So, thanks to you, fire.
That is the sealer. You see, hey, where you go? Hey!
Hi, Lando.
Good night, Roxanne.
You forget your address?
What that's
Why you
supposed to mean?
continuously wear the mask?
Because me I be cautious.
Suspicious of what? Oxygen?
Me have a lung problem. So it help me to breathe.
Anyways, me that asked me forgot your address since as you come home
What that's
4
supposed to mean?
hours after you normally would come.
Roxanne, me there do some extra work.
Oh, you gotta do some extra work.
Yes.
Where you gotta do the extra work?
Roxanne, why you ask me so much question?
No, because true. I run up in somebody today and they tell me say, you're not really employed no more. So I'm just I wonder what you work.
What you just say?
So today, I decided to stop by because
Stop by where?
your workplace.
My workplace.
Right. Can
Why-
continue?
Continue.
So on my lunchtime, I decided to stop by your workplace and, you know, check up on you, check if you're good because I realized you still got through some stuff, you're not healed 100%, right? And I was concerned about the mask as well. Right, so I decided to make a come give you a little check, right? Only to find out you're not really at work no more. So I just wonder.
Roxanne, that sound like BS.
Why
That
is that?
because there's no way you would have come at my workplace to come check up on me.
Why? You don't think my concern about you? You don't think my concern about you?
Roxanne,
Lando.
who tell you say me lose my work?
So you know we have to sign in on the visitor list and all of that, right? Right?
Yes.
And we have to write up who we are going to.
Roxanne, get to the point.
So when me are signing them, I say, Lando Williams is no longer at the facility. So me I say, what do you mean by that? Anyway, she said it was okay to go to your boss and, you know, ask for further information. So me say, all right, I'm going to go and he tell me, say, yeah, them let you go. So, you ever hear about what goes around come right back? What goes around come right back. You ever hear about that? So, me give you a little lecture, you see? Karma is very real. You understand what I say? Karma.
Roxanne,
It's dangerous.
I know me that hurt me very
I
badly.
understand. So now that you're not really employed anymore, what's the next step?
You know, I gotta be honest with you, Roxanne.
Yes, after all, you love honesty.
Yeah, because I actually know how to be honest. You're right. Me lose my work today. Me not gonna be like you when me go around and come back around and tell BLI I did not lose my work. Yes, I lost my work. I don't know how much of a coincidence you could find out the same day I lost my work. You found out. But me not go too think about that or talk about that. I'm gonna be honest, I lose my work, and the reason why it took me so long to come back home is because I was dropping off job
Good for
applications.
you.
And luckily, me had to get one call back. So me so go get back a job. And because me have money saved up, because I'm a good spender, me can take care of the rent for at least 3 months. So you don't have to worry about not paying bills. You understand? So I'll get right on it and I'll get a job. Argument done.
Let's see how soon is soon. Okay?
And next time don't attack me about nothing again.
Don't attack you? Or I was
Yes.
attacking you?
Yes, because this feels like an attack. Because I end the day, I'm my hostess.
By asking a question and highlighting some stuff.
You could ask me a question, but you sound like an attack. You
Well, I
attack me.
apologize for that. Okay, Lando?
Yeah.
Okay.
And don't ever do that again. Because I end the day, I'm my hostess.
Oh, it's your house.
Yes.
Let's see for how long. Right? Let's see for
Have
how
a
long.
good night, yeah, Roxanne?
I will have a good night indeed. Have a good night, Orlando. I'll go on, landlord. Landlord. Oh, you not like the title again? What going with the job hunt?
Okay, where you asking us now? They are the tell us, they are the get your car back, and we supposed to probably start working in the next 2 weeks.
And next 2 weeks. Well, unfortunately, 2 weeks is 2 weeks too long. You don't think so? You don't think so?
What's that?
Lando.
Where I get you? Where
Oh,
asking?
alright
Get
then.
me pipe.
Alright, so let's get to the point. Like how you have business money and have time to waste. Make you 1 week to come out.
And Roxanne, what makes you think you have the authority to tell me if you come out of my house?
Maybe because your name is not on the list anymore.
Maybe my name not on the list.
Your name is not on the list anymore.
How my name not on the list and a landlord put my name on the list?
Because apparently you losing a job to make you an adult. So a child cannot own or live on their own in an apartment. So it takes an adult to run a household. So since I have a job now and you're not working, that makes me an adult. So now that I am an adult, me make the rules.
Roxanne, what kind of game you playing? Where you trying to do? Because yes, me agree, me lose my work, But me already tell us say me already get a call back and me supposed to start in the next 2 weeks. And and you already don't have to worry about me have money. And like you, and me already tell us say me lose my work. So me don't know why you try. Why you try do you like you try do what me do to you?
No, and honestly, me dey tell myself so I'm not gonna be petty, no, but sometimes petty is good.
You try
Let
if you
me
don't be
enjoy
petty.
this.
Okay.
Yeah, like me tell myself, say me, I just tell myself to go on and all of that and I go around the corner with it. But a little petty is good. I remember how I used to play it on my face. And them I was just the one person who can't really play one game for it fun. So that's how we play the game, right? Two can play that game. Have you ever heard about that?
I'm not gonna argue with you. You see,
Appreciate that.
sometimes you have to walk with your circuits.
That is true.
I've been trying to be nice, I've been trying to be a friend, your roommate, but you want to kick me out? Fine.
1 week. Well, you can start pack from now, you know, because I appreciate the absence. So
No man, me come out that week, man.
1 week, that's fine.
Where's me come out that week? So we can not speak to each other for the rest of the time being I'm here.
Gladly.
Sorry, so this day have to reach us. Right now, I not even know how this reach us.
Yo, Lando, me don't know why they send you around and talk to me. You see me? Because me can't believe, say, you know, believe me. Me and you work few much in years. Me and you not have nothing. So why would I want poison you? If me do poison you, why would I bring you to hospital, Lando? Would I want you to dead?
I understand what you're saying, Jay. But I know me control this. I must say they find evidence here with poison, you know. I don't know them send me around here. And me decide to come look for you because right now, the way how things look, honestly, I think I you do it, you know. I feel so I might Roxanne because the way how she behave right now.
You're right, you're right. Roxanne, this is all Roxanne all along, you know. Because the other day before me get locked up, me see she come out of my room with gloves. Say you send her in my room.
Really gloves.
And me I try explain that to look idiot police them and them a come rough me up with them or them a send me to jail. You see what me don't know? For all of this I don't know nothing about. Before I come at the apartment in Lando, I ask if there's gonna be any problem, you know. And you look for me dead in my eye and tell me say everything go alright, me not have to worry about that.
But me never know say would I reach so far.
But you know, Lando, it's all good.
See your face how she put the poison in you?
It's all good, you know. It's all good. Me I go stay here so can me get me beer. You see me? It's alright. It's alright.
Know yourself.
It's
You're not
alright, man. It's good, brother.
me promise you're not gonna stay in there too long. Me do some digging and get you out.
Hi, Roxanne.
Hi, Sylvia.
Why you call me here so?
To talk, you know what talk? We're not friends.
The place here look weird, very odd for two friends talk.
It don't look odd, like we just come off for work. This is the best place we could have get you quiet for talk. Like, I mean, we could have get lunch, but we done there already.
Okay, Roxanne, what you want to talk about?
So, the situation we get ourselves in with Lando, right? Now, it has come to my attention that you told my father something.
Me did have to tell your father what you want me to do. I am very concerned about you and you that behave like say you lost it, you lose it, you might not. So me have to tell your father me the concern, me never know what to do.
Well, I understand the concern. I'm not upset or anything, promise. Okay? It's just that you should have come to me first and let me know, say you're worried and stuff like that before you go to daddy. Because now that you tell daddy, you don't know what daddy capable of or who's going to talk to, right? So know that the both are in a chain because you have to watch your back to you now. You understand? Because remember, say your fingerprint up on the back. Me make sure say your fingerprint up on the back.
Alright, yes, you don't need to remind me every time.
No, but that's to make you understand the magnitude of the situation. You follow? Right. But like I said, I'm not upset. But just try to find out why you would have got to daddy.
Cause my concern.
You're concerned?
Yes. I couldn't get to you, I call you for days, you don't answer. So Me think something happened to you.
Okay, well, now that you know all of the information and you passed that information, you know what we have to do about that, right?
Huh?
Oh, nothing. No, me just say like, why you tell people?
I just your father, me tell.
And again, you don't know who that you gonna tell, right? You get what I say?
Mm-hmm.
So, now that you know all of the information, something have to go done, right?
Why you smell so creepy?
No, because me I try make you know so we are friends, me not have you up. I can't serious, because I love the same way. Right, and I love Lando too. It's just that Lando never da listen. So I just want to tell you say, we're still good and I still love you. So now that we crossed that, me have something for you. Right? Okay?
Okay.
Just a little appreciation and for sure how much I value my life and freedom. Okay? Value my life and freedom, right? You value freedom?
Yeah?
Yeah, sure. You don't think so, but me gonna get the present to you, right?
Okay.
What
What that? What that?
Eh?
What that?
What that?
What
You
is
see
that?
what?
Roxanne.
I can put it to
Roxanne.
bed.
What that?
What do you mean? What is I can put it to... Wait, why you would I do that?
Let
Why
me
you
go.
would I
Let
do
me
that?
go.
Why you would I do that?
Roxanne.
Sylvia? Sylvia, where are you now? What you?
Lando. You alright? Everything good?
Yeah, me alright. You know, me have a little problem with my lung, but warm to you.
But tired. You know, see me around. I Roxanne miss you around this hoe. Father God.
So wait, you run from Roxanne?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Me go tell you the truth. You hear me? I go say to you. Me I go tell you the truth. You know, see a Roxanne poison, not true?
Wait. What you mean, sir, Roxanne poison me? A Jay poison me?
No. A Roxanne poison you.
Do not play with me.
Why everybody thinks I'm me a player?
Because sometimes when you say certain things, that no make no sense.
A Roxanne poison you. And that me I tell you here talk about that no make no sense.
But Jay then a prison feet, how a Roxanne poison me?
Because Roxanne set you up for jail, go to prison for it.
She set up Jay?
Yes. Lando, me and her are best friend, right? So me know. She talk to me about certain things. I know she a try to kill me because me not in a way she in a, it a go too far. She a try to kill me now. Me no know now, but me have to go live up from here so.
Jesus Christ, man. So, Jesus, all of this add up, you know. From me get poison to the point when me even come back home, she'll take over Elise back and she'll tell me, say, me have 1 week left in her place. So she'll kick me out. Jesus Christ, man.
My girl and the things that she want to talk to me, only if me see she take out nigga.
For kill her?
To kill me. Boy, I am so shocked, like,
How he reach us, sir? Like really, how he reach us at the point where she'll try to kill her own friend?
me just want to tell you the truth, you hear? Make you know what go on.
Alright, thank you for telling me. Why? You didn't know something wrong, you know. Thank you for telling me. Just, you don't have to run with me. Me take it for yourself.
Alright,
Just go
alright.
on home. Roxanne, you don't see how I'm wicked? You don't see how I'm wicked, girl?
First of all, you don't talk to me like that in my house, right?
Nobody with your foolishness and try to make up no lie and try to make me look like no bad guy right now, you know. You are wicked. I want you to try to explain to me why you would have tried poison me.
One, me not owe you no explanation.
No, you owe me one explanation.
Me not owe you no explanation. Me don't owe you no explanation.
You know what, you're right. You don't owe me one explanation.
Right.
You for their prison. You for their jail.
And you should have dead. Why you not dead?
Me don't know. Maybe
Why you not dead?
because God not like ugly. That's why I'm not dead.
No, Lando. I see like how you're 1 week soon up You just have like 2 days left. Why you not just go on now? Because you irritate me. I need to out of my place like no. Because I don't understand why you're not dead and why you're the right to start going like say. You think I'm afraid of you?
You think me
You think I'm afraid to finish the job when I start? You think I'm afraid?
Really no?
Yes, really.
Then finish the job, Roxanne.
Try me.
Finish the job.
Stay in there for the 2 days then you go see.
Me not stay no. Me go pack up my things and left. Because I know when to leave things alone. Because I am not petty like you. Because you lose your work, and me no kick you out, me say, alright. Me I go give you a chance and pay bills them, but there are going to be rules. But no, you still break your rules them and everything. And because you don't like the rules I gave you, you try poison me.
Lando, what you did to me was way worse. You played on my face, you said try to be petty, you said all kind of rules like you forgot to say I'm an adult, all of that. Tell me ask you to leave. Me not in the back and forth.
You are an adult and you behave like a child.
You leave or you stay and I try to kill you again. Which one?
Roxanne, I don't think you actually listen to what you're saying. I don't think you actually hear yourself. You literally try to poison me. You can't look for me at hospital. I literally smiling on my face and say how much you care about me and this and that.
That was just on the outside.
A lucky thing so I never eat no food from you. Because me probably would all dead right now. How you frame somebody for your crime? Jay, they in a prison for your crime,
First of all, she should have never come here. Right? She should have never get herself in it. She have only put chat even when the man come arrest her, she had about the police to check me, so she deserved that.
She right, then should I check you?
Okay. That not change nothing. She dead down there. I'm not being investigated, am I?
Put aside even all of that too. You try to kill your best friend? Why you try to kill Sylvia too?
Because she knows too much. She knows too much. And it was her idea,
Why you so bad, man?
It was her idea. Well, as a matter of fact, she didn't just want to seduce you, but me just take it 1 step further.
So why you never just seduce me and done? That would have better than
because you never want that, unfortunately. Now you almost meet your death. And if you stay right here and talk to me longer, me go kill you. You understand?
Kill? Who kill?
Him, oh my God, he might try to kill me. He might try to set up my life. Officer, save me. He might try to kill me. And he try to kill my best friend. Don't let me. Where you put
You're under arrest.
He try to kill me, officer.
You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say
Officer, he try to kill me,
tell against in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney.
Wicked boy. You can't put this for me. I'm taking up my house. You're wicked. You're wicked, officer.
Young lady.
Officer, no, you can't leave him in my house.
Come on, young lady. Come.
Officer, don't let him in my house, officer! Officer! Landa, watch. Me have to come out.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
You see the party where Born to Shine put on Richard Brown Films at endorse it. So I want to go and support it. It's a talent search and an after party. And guess where it go there? It go there in a Mandeville. right at the venue, Mandeville Primary and Junior High School, January the 24th. You see me? So I want to know go support it. Make it a date down below. You will see the admission upon it. And they might give a whole heap of money. You see me? So I want to know if you go support it. Bounty Killer I got there. Craft I got there. You know it's going to be total niceness. So I want to make sure so I support it. And it's January 24th. And where it I got there? Mandeville Primary School and Junior High.
Drunko, 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 bati. Drunko, bati. Drunko, bati. We drink the drunko, 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 bati. We drink.
So you're there. Girl, focus now. We don't want to lick you with something, you know.
My yard?
Me did your yard and you did your way.
No, me yard.
Jesus Christ. You did my yard.
No.
Yeah. We told me that for your yard. Oh. Me think so we are eating a alibi.
No,
like from a different angle, like she there, me and me there, she.
No.
That's the alibi. They're not in the sense true. It's all there for your yard. Do you have this record? Yes. True. Alright.
Alibi meaning what one
Before. Because when I'm morning, I see you dead.
Yeah.
The pound wrong, all you know dead, eh?
Yes, sir.
Then at the morning, I see you already see you.
No, same night.
How does it work so quick?
You think somebody can pass out tonight? I'm in a day.
Alright, Giovanni, come.
Ready? Action.
Weird.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh boy. Because if you're rough,
Ready? Action.
All right, so Jay.
Stop it!
Jay,
You can't do this. Alright, what the freak? Alright,
Hold it.
alright. Relax.
You see one girl, one girl past you. Oh, don't tell about girl. Oh, that's me saying and everything. Okay. Ready? Ready. Eh?
Alright.
Roxanne! Stop it freaking laughing now!
Okay. Weird. Big. What? We got 6 times, not you. We got 6 times. These are the best scenes ever. What is that? Something lovely.
Roxanne, what up?
Who don't understand why she run back so fast? I think you're scared for chewing a Jamie.
No!
She's so scared for you. May I get the present now, okay? You don't have to be scared. It's fine. Right? A rock star.
Okay.
Okay? Which part you cover there?
It's by the time you take out it.
You grab me.
You grab her. So
And they start rush the same time on the job.
You grab her till I can try to get the injection. It drop out your hand. You understand?
So we're deep back. Okay?
Roxanne.
Yeah, I take it up, but eh?
You don't be sad there, you're close to her. Go white up, man. White. Something so we can see where the chop and everything. Must like an evil.
We only she a smile like she thought something out of the bag.
Close to her face. Yeah, man, they close. Ready to go? Ready? Action.
So I'm gonna get the present now, right?
Okay.
Don't be scared. Everything is gonna be okay. So, get what you deserve.
So because me now listen, you'll kill me too?
Alright, so tell them to them, say, you know what? I have something for you, because you show me, show me, appreciate.
You really value friendship.
You value friendship, and I have something for you.
Right, and I value my life too, so.
You value me like
Yeah. We don't say that, you know, we don't say something like that.
You're going there, Bob. But we are really Roxanne. Alright, you have to make it look exciting.
Like a freaking
Yeah, because me now go to try me and say, alright, like
Make it
we
look
are
exciting. Make it look struggling one. Make it look struggling one.
Alright.
Struggling one. And then you make it needle drop.
And then she run off. I think you can look like you know value yours. Which my pity there?
So why the freak you grab me so?
You not gonna know. You shoot your man, this is a man have to put it work from me. So this is just one and then we shoot one more time. Ready now? And action.
And if you stay right here so no longer, me go kill you.
Somebody say kill all.
What is this? He's so unserious.
You know what? Alright, well listen, but just come in. Well, listen, because you see
Kill? Who I get killed?
you see because you even try to look for me. Yeah, look for me at hospital. Yeah, and you know no remorse. Yeah, my girl like she name get locked up for your get locked up for you know. Thank God me never eat no food from you, cause me probably would have dead again. You don't see how I'm wicked?
Yes.
How you
Dead again.
Cause you're dead already.
Sorry, Pat.
Dead for real.
Yeah. Ready again?
And then Jay, you can't tell him say.
Officer, don't let him in on my house, officer. Officer.
Chill.
Landa, watch. Me happy come out. That was it.
Because me and the night, alright, come on.
I can't believe you had this all over this one little apartment, one little 2 room. What kind of monster me grow?
Rub me and shake myself. Wise up. Wise up.
Good. That's enough. I'm going to search.
Shut up. Jamie, I give you your mic, making chat. Then you know that's a police station. I'm not going to show you nothing.
Suppose the wire not even real. We can't make you real. I feel like that's show man.
Yeah, man, you see that you
If him drop asleep, I must close the door for him because if him make you coming in. And me I go check up on him to see if him asleep when I go close the door. And him not answer when I knock on the door. Hopefully the door will be a ground.
So never you be him or not like that.
Roxanne.
Me just have to ask because like when you say you animal alone did the land of my friend as much as how we have a differences, I'm a friend. I'm a really urgent this to happen to land.
You know where Landa come from?
No matter how far your land come from. Are you animal alone did it?
Yeah, you're right for that. Me animal alone did it. But how it happen, me don't know.
About this. And why as you come in the kitchen?
Why you don't feel like me or too?
No, because you don't need to be a land of place.
Yeah, Landa work for over 5 days.
Have a number of things actually when that's don't do it.
Well, honestly, London is my friend. I don't really want to cause anything, right?
Like now, we feel like somebody cheat on me, like no relationship, and I can break up. Bro, me trust you. Me trust you. And you fit do this to me? Eh?
Calm down for a second.
What you mean calm down for a second?
What you talk about?
What you mean something I talk about?